Therefore, me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadi we eye nkranhyesem. Me ameti dwamu amedi ho chia me ya osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Utimi fra me Nita Kotego tiawa kebe me de. Ho ye de me da ase. Ene so me koso a me ka o ne ma betima ye na why the best person in the world. You see, the truth is that your version of yourself is unique. The version you have as you, you are not the same as the head of your family. You're not the same as your mom and your dad. You are different from your mother and your father. You are different from your friends. In fact, you are different from anyone in the world. So don't give on to the temptation of trying to compare yourself with others. Remember to define yourself by your own personal values. You are different. You are different and unique. We are shrunko. We demufua. Jitumu se we no mama se no papa se. We no obi se. We are different. It is ujina enyoma different so to become different in this world. You were made to impact life. You're not made to just pass through life. Yeah, more said before you say 1 year, 2 years, 3rd birthday, 4th birthday, 20th birthday, Debbie. Now we do birthday, Debbie. Every year of your life, you need to do something that will impact on you and impact on life of others. It could be the life of your family. It could be the life of your spouse and your children. It could be the life of your community or your nation. But at least every year, find out what you've done that has impacted or influenced the life of others positively. That's why you were made. Adichi bia, adisen bia, nawotwe bia, busumi bia, afi bia, onyame bo se wa brabo, wakasa na wone ye, se ekenya obi eye die, se ya busua mu, se ya wade mu okuna na oyira na wo ho, se ya wo mma, se ya bro no ateso, se ya oman, eye bisa ho. Nyesa owa akwenya se wodi oman so keke. Na emom se wo ye oman pani, se wo ye obi a wo som oman fo, se wo ye ohene, se wo ye osere ni, se wo ye nurse, doctor ni, church ni, se mpo ye journalist. Can you find out what one thing you can do that will impact the lives of others positively? Se wo ye okunu, se wo ye oyire, se wo ye eja, se wo ye na, se wo ye abrantie, se wo ye babawa. What one thing can you do that will impact the life of others positively? That will let you be a different person amongst the lot. That is why you were made. You were made to be different. You were made to influence life in a positive manner. So what did I make an so who say no? Ube pa kandie. No apenyansa, no apekasa, no apenye ne ya bede na dia be ma obi kra. Ini su ene ban adedi na to yi. Bible no kire me say osefo ne de wo bae se obeden obewia na wakum na wasei. Na me de me bae se me ma wonkwa ani awiye. Osefo na adwen ne ayi owuo. Seye ene kro no. Wonya osefo no. Wo yo nyame ensa no adwuma. Ento de wo ba se wonkwa. You need to impact people with life and comfort. You need to make sure say will be abrabo asiye. Yes, we be nipa sika. And someone abeka bibi abeka nipa no suba ho. And ye bi abede na die. Something that you can do or say to impact or influence life is why you were made. To be your best self is not to do the same thing over and over again. Every year has its own challenges. Every new day comes with its own threats and demands. Ask yourself, what am I required to do today better than yesterday to make my life better and the life of others better? A day na metimi ayo na me tie program bi na papa bi yesi efe no Kwame Ghana se hwan adwuma menim no wo se obefa Georg ɔse ɔfɛ no akwasampa for factory ɔse kɔhwɛ aba for factory kyɛ sɛ nsanom ɔno de adwuma yɛde hyɛ ne nsa sɛ wɔnyɛ nsama Ghana Giok distilleries ɔfɛ adwuma na adwuma no atete apansam no ne adwumayɛfoɔ no ka bɔ mu ɛmɛnɛ wagye adwuma no asiw a sese wɔne de nsa ɛkɔ ama no ne by the singular act of one man he has been able to transform Giok distilleries into a productive venture the subai na metie me ne gye papa no ho minim so politician a em say no ye KM for boss answer ye fa na so ma adwuma no anko bi anko say me minister ne afra me honorable o say o de mo mfa ensanom fo adwuma hye me nsa na menya nsa mankrofo papa yi atintim apenyansa suban ne ye ama Giok distilleries woni atintim eye adwuma pa emenne Ghana nsa be kwa ma no ne oni papa akopɛ suban sakra no mem na wo so bebia wo yɛ adwuma no suban bɛn wo fie kura atem kura suban ɔde na die kura mfata wo yire ne wo kuru kura ne tie kura suban ɔde na die kampɛsa abontene ɛna ne agya no wonte hwɛ suban ɔde na die bo no ɔda so no hwɛ suban ɔde na die adwuma a wo mu kura no suban bɛn na ɔde na die ɔman a wo som no suban bɛn. Can you tell yourself boldly that from today I will make sure that my words and my life, my actions will impact others positively? Many years me kasa me hwɛ sɛ obi bɛnya so mfa so. Many years me kasa me hwɛ sɛ ɛbɛsombo ama obi so anya ne ho fa hodie. Ama obi so ani agye, ama obi so atumpɔn. Many years me kasa ne me suban. Kwan ben so na mede na di a ɛde mfa so bɛbrɛmeɛ na ma obi so atɔ no. Na me nkoyɛ obonsam a me nam a me sɛe me kum ne mawia. Onyame hu mɔbɔ wate. Onyame nhwɛ wo wate. Onyame nkura wo no ma suban pa. Onyame nkura wo no ma osusuye pa. Onyame nkura wo no ma kasapa. Ɛne ne yɛ pa nkura wo ɔman mu. Me ka wo utie me no anya wo nko. Ɔman bia ka kyerɛ sɛ be sɛ na da ekoi. You were made to be different. How can you make your life to impact on others positively in whatever position you find yourself? Oh, you're software. And prefer about sorry no. A DNT na was sorry dan ya. Why you matter sorry them more? So be twa wom. So be dead the wom. And now do on kwa nkwaje mu. No hunu papa yo na emponya nkwaje. Etoje waran kasa. Ade bia wo yo no. How are you impacting on others? Uko sorry. Uko mosque. Why are you worshiping God? It is for you to have a godly nature to impact on others. What I say? So TV, so radio, so the way piano. It is meant to impact on others positively. Not what that's wrong. Mejidi say na dem no akasa. Ahana meja wo. Bedwa modwuma de na ekoso anesa. Na meja we na meja no say ask yourself just one question today. What can I make today to become different in my life, in the life of others? I didn't know to my next room, na ma brabo aso obi ani, na den faso abre obi, and so. Onyame nka ho, onyame nhyira wo, onyame mo abaso, wo mpagya odwumadi a wodie mu, na woni onyame entena. Ediam je so ene ni tekodego. Mame na me nua Thomas, my namesake on the camera. Na me nko floor manager ho, na me na MCA, na me na osmosis ase or sound, na me na Randolph, and na Ejawabek and Pedroase. When I'm a producers, me da munyina ase, wa share me so me da ase. Badwam news and ebe. Koso na hwe programming.
Yamache yamwa kwa Badom TV Badwam dwumadie eso yadani ase ni nkwanshansam so ne ode amaya de pachi yen afoforo so ebebo akamu nti ya hyano so na bribia ofidie ne de nda ha ye also otibia nso yade mawo no sia na nya bonti no de asie o mai mu no ebraso sa otibie sa Adom TV Badwam kase ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti any civil society organization say wo mo ba mo ani adaho free say abo wo na implementation of human rights se eye adwuma ho recommendations abano ebeba so sade tie no yade mu nsam no ebebramo na NDC amanyoko komrahye bedafie mu akendifo no ensakraya abam wo mo dwamtene ne dinkyeremu abade entia ekoba ne sasansam no ne nsem ena no pay mede bro Adom TV bedwam kase wo Facebook /Adom TV kase no wo say Go TV na wo ahwehwe wo channel 176 ena DSTV so channel no ye 280 bidin ede afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said ensam no enchemu ankasa etie civil society organization say womo asinkete Ghana implementation of human rights and recommendations no a womo ede ato ehonomo no ebe adwuma na we 42nd session of United Nations Universal Periodic Review ase ena womo de sanhye we akwakoto ho a civil service society organization no eso mbehwe se ebe adwuma Adom TV kase etoso
make sure say death penalty no ombe abolish that is ombe yi every Ghana constitution nimu bompa say based on some interactions na akoso between Ghana as a state and other recommendation state no the recommendations are omode ama Ghana no civil society and the government as well as development partners no better together now I make sure say these recommendations that Ghana are receiving no implementing some recommendations no because so previous review cycles now akoso no that is the first, second, third fourth one no some of these recommendations no so still like ejuma wo ho aban e was aban etu ho anamo make sure say recommendations no implemented wa Ghana because hwɛ so anye ne year what is likely to happen is during the next review in the next 5 years no recommendations are most of these recommended states na aye ama aban no e be likely say e be san repeating ho but ye bompa said that wouldn't be the case inti yes aban say omo hwɛ implement recommendations no omo involve civil society ne develop
Dwamtene ne dema NDC amanyoko ya Johnson esiedu nketia na enura ne beto dwa sa NDC amanyoko no mrahye bedwafo mpanifo na kendifo no nsakraye abam ore esiedu nketia ba abontia ba bekyerkyere mudi ntia san sakraye no ebemu.
We started reorganization of our structures to be able to position ourselves to fight election 2024. So the next in line is to take a look at our leadership in Parliament, and that is what we've just done. So in terms of timing, it is in line with the way we are prosecuting the national reorganization. And in terms of why, it means what it tells you is that the only constant thing in nature is change. And so since the environment is changing, leadership and many other things must change along the new environment. We know, for instance, that going into election 2024, the economy is going to be the major battleground. And so many of the debates and other discussions will focus on the economy. So we better put your best man in the economy forward. And that is what we've done. And then we also looked at energy, you know, this petroleum and electricity challenges. And so we needed to settle on Kofi Amabua, our former minister, to be the deputy minority leader. And then the other area is infrastructure, and Kwame Ogboja being our man in infrastructure should play a key role. So that generally is what informed the changes, but there are other things that
Wasanche muya Dwamtene Johnson esiedu nketia de ba ye ne de Tamale South NDC amanyoko achitafo no bibi entiase womo bowura womo party natena ye ho kire de entia womo yi wo mrahye bedwani e de free ho second ni eda wano wo NDC afem wo mrahye bedwafie.
Started about 1992. People started 1992. Munanye majority leader. Mununguna haletile majority leader. Katiyale. Katikara. By NDC katikale majority. Catalania, I'm Babu, would I get majority leader? Catacala, which is supposed to woman of the current majority leader. Would I get minority leader? I let to be a majority leader. Travel your capital.
That don't make mistake to try to come to Amistaman South. When you come to Tamasha, we'll show you that, and now we are popular. I'm telling you honestly.
If you look at the position of minority leader, not only in Tamale South, but the role he plays in Ghana politics today, is a very big mistake leadership is making. And I think they need to reconsider their decision if indeed they want us to win 2024 elections. Because for me, it goes beyond the leader of Tamale South. We see him as the leader for progressive development in the party. A lot of people, not only for Tamale South, northern Ghana and beyond, depends on him for their not only political groups, academic groups, any other thing we can mention. So if some few members or leadership from the party top hierarchy would take such a decision without making consultation at the grassroots to see the contribution it's making to the party, I think it's unfortunate.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasia na Augusto Eshano State Interest and Governance Authority, SIGA. One my enshishemu awie at the afar state-owned enterprises. One more 2021 auditors report on said yes ikasem aye wantwi afefa baabinom ne ade no. One my year enshishemu na wie na ya ban anamampani na de to just a year SIGA for nya enshishemu fa sika 17.4 billion cedis no a adane nkwanta fa baabi ni. One more day one more report akọ Chief of Staff ma mefremo se opare ho amono so age a ehun sam Adom TV kase etwaso.
Unfortunately, in our history, before SIGA, we were not doing these things in a very systematic and clinical way. But with SIGA and now with the collaboration that we have working with Controller, PPA, Auditor General, you cannot hide. We are 20 years time, to baby Anna, Yababe Fawse, I'm not now a CEO, and I'm not now a chairman. This is what happened. Brabi Yuano.
And wechi and also afa wono and share abai enyuma awodo so Joseph Kojo editu dwase obeti wani ahwesega yi pa sebeya ye koye nimu no sa ohawi ebi NCBM ewo enyumako awodo emu
nti ono no kire de SIGA wo edwuma ye as a companies in share SIGA say an kire obi na odo hwe but one of the companies almost ni nyina share SIGA say o che edwuma beto SIGA do or make sure the infractions no on sun in CBO. In the meeting, no President ne ejuma no de share SIGA ansano. SIGA wie ma SIGA de report na betukwa.
Na no si yepe and a Chief of Staff akosia fremo so pare enso edin sama wodu bi etuja.
The government remains committed to finding lasting solutions to the problem of non-compliance with financial reporting requirements. As such, all SOEs are expected to mainstream appropriate implementation measures to carry out the recommendations detailed in this report.
Human Rights Court 1 ama enipa mienu bi bail John Ade ne Abu Musa ya yesusuo se abayo ama tatete ya nipa bi etwa ne tikun no free asase wonim hu bi no ya ma won bail inchemo no Adom TV kase edeba.
Arehusemi esiwo sehwebekwai etuama na ye humomo bosome ewa fimpinu ene aduonum mu ena Adom kasiama ne boni Augustin a ede sama ne boi eba
arehusem si ewo sehwebekwai ne se abaye bi a wodi mfishan be duasan ne pompo so eko wabehu se ye twaniti afriso a de na beto da foforo bi afi na wosi ewo sehwebekwai hasi
kotino ema won mu be onu ewieye no ene wo hye na wotwemienu entemu no da bia wonfa won ho emekire kotino registry na fe wonya hoboa entu esika wodi atu wonti so na wonfa two charities no enka ho kondua amofa eye enipa mienu lawyer ni wani amane boni etwetwe nkomo wa bra kotino ede na setena ba wiye
da nyankopon ase se ene onam na dum no nubu hu so ma John Ade alias na kwasi kokore a office se hwi bekwai one abu musa ye ba ha koto ha ne amomu bieli bio ne edika amomu bieli je ba na nye nipa bi de the police force akoche wo mu de wo mu begum but court say ye momu bieli ne sentia ne se sofwata ene solo aka bu mu se jetum se omu mienu ka bu mu kwa pam se omu ni nipa binum se omu de asem ebeto John Ade so because boni awa yina se o wisika okromo ene aba be de adwa enye obi ne koka ye no aka se obi akotu esika ma obi na emom eye sa nipa kro na solo no ne sofwata no ne se omu bo opo mu ne nipa bi bo opo se ye mo John Ade di apie wo court egina so se ye ma John Ade wa ma John Ade ne abu musa bill de betimi aka ne se nhira nka Nyankopon na nhira so nka jeje ne omo ka ho nyina se enokre no ye di sie na so na de enokre na dadi ede Nyankopon se oh de na nura obo se ye de kwasi ade aba remand na ya che no onsini trase de otia bonten a ono de ne dia ne se ochoro nsem fa ho de gu kwasi ade mu ase ene court ne ho fi no ye dru sa bia na ye be hu se de besia
me kasa sesi kuani a wonya mfie aduanan enso ne din ade Charles Soko wada Winneba Trauma and Specialist Hospital ni nyina ne se kuani abayu ana ba a wono so ne din ade ya na de sekan etwa no ni nyina ya asase ehye so emanso ntia Adom TV etwaso
Ghana Police Service any okada for motor for ye na ye use motor edidi akwa
aban ye krado pa nti ye srawo fo ne se omofo mhunyim awofo bi o ko school kra na ba onto pen kra ma na obo so beto onto book so ye se o ye se free ne ba no kra nya akonya ntran so obetimi aboa me nya empa ne akonya ma no se o aban se free nti no
ya watwitwa owrai the story no beba wo yenkase a semoni nti yenko okadafo no ho wo mo kire mu se ene aposifo ye won kran ha tata won pa de achi bia ye wo mu kada no free won monsem eno nti won so aye nsantwofo nhia mu de nsemi atoja
Ghana Police Service any okadafo motor for ye na ye use motor edidi akwani abanyina omo ne ye ade ne nyonyonyo de nti na me kan we ye be chiu ye se kofa license bra road worthy insurance any motor ni document who design your man nyina akwa na police for agi photocopy na ya twa photo di ato na ya ka kiro se ko na bra na awotwi se ne ye be ji motor na ya ka kiro se ko na bra na awotwi mienu je na wo ne wo yire ne wo mabedi ekwa mo di ye wo ya busia mu ye ntimi ntua ye ma fees ye ntimi ntua ye rentings nyama bebre start say affect your life as a normal Ghanaian. Me amegina we ya chi me motorbike Monday no me to motor no Saturday enwumre ana me di kwesi fi ade chi Monday me kura me papers ene me license me kwa register motor awudo me hire na police for na chi me ene ya na awotwe ene da ba ko
o signed to aposifo yenim se sanamo a wo mu etu ade chi omanfo yi so mu hu se nipa bonfo bi efra wo mu hwe se mra no ene ne bedi na mum wo mu de wo mu djuma wo mu eye no wo mu nim se eye krojin
ye chiu na moto na ukura no wato moto wakotwa number plate fake di ataria emra ne wunni na mum se ye be chiu na ya ka se bia nipa ba ko a ye hwehwe na achi nti ye parking moto 1,000 of motorbikes se ye nyina ye nko parking moto na ye
Central Regional Coordinator da Free SHS ano de adese to awofo nanim abane ye ne famudie awofo nso ya sade se ye be ya aboa ye ma no ewo nwumasuemu nso ye nye de
Emeka cha ma tan ne se aban ye krado pa nti ye sra awofo ne se omofo mhunyim awofo bi o ko school kra na ba onto pen kra ma na obo so beto onto book so ye se o ye se free ne ba no kra nya akonya ntran so obetimi aboa me nya empa ne akonya ma no se o aban se free nti no okọ na ne ba ne da form nti ye sra omo so munyina form hunyim
Director General Edema Institute of Educational Planning and Administration Cape Coast University School Ponim no Dr. Michael Boachi Adom enso edito Ghana Education Service enim se omfa niema enwu akwam emfa a teacher for se ne du mra ye to omko baby se womo enkoye adwuma na womo etimi akọ
as it is no upusu no kwa wase we ni ho we no ntimi nkọ but the end of the day no nkwala na ho no enyo mo fault na omo ti sa area ho omo ye Ghana for intino ekwan bi ebefa so a yebetimi ya motivate ya encourage teachers ama omakọ ho na omatena na omatimi aboa ama ye nyina atete nkwala na ese efa so.
Acting Central Regional Director Edema Education Justin Ivy Apawu enso de nsem bi atudwa edefa enkonya ene niema bi a womo edibesua ade a enoso e won patemu ho no.
Your challenges like buildings, classrooms, furniture, sometimes textbooks for the children, then teaching and learning materials. Until this time, we have adopted our own teaching and learning materials to do so that we can be able to help the children.
Badwam Kasiano Paina Hanabrema Quina Yediasi Yadasepa no mre no wadaje. Radin fan komra sumdie wai wodon wabusua nyina nemum yede bia meka no nyo hyenkani dia adaroma oba Facebook/Adom TV nso a yedem live wo hono mo na fe dwumadie ne nka ye na fe ene ya hyase na yede amaw ba mamu anso gina ne na so den director ma ye gina hono de ne swag level no different na minim so swag sa a man of fans of Krana. I was a serious candidate to be a auntie. It's me more quaba and I'm watching Bemena.
Let's say,
I'm here. I'm sorry.
I do.
Will be away.
Also, I'm a Pamacas a facility. I don't know. I meant to say, your own home will be our son of pay. Monimty. It is serious woman, a radical pay for Domier. Go be a sorry if you also you cry from pem keke no
problem
oh gee go ohwe day na
calculate
we dey me dey wake me we school fees e dan ka me fa hasi ha it on monitor pressure na e won so no chair dey we bibia ni ho assurance it was sorry osmosis me ba no osmosis onyame adom ene die ne nkofo bia no mo ama no ne already do ma bedu na it's about a project bia ebeba so say die nyame timi ye ebi ni de asase January 2023 dia ma
sa timfa ho say ye was the 6th or the 7th month in January
any problem cry 7th week yeah any problem
o bakaka say
onyame ya dema efia de de ni piaro wadi efia aduanan
yeah
o busa na ho say ede empa na obetimi ayem say onim de wetimi aye o sorry anopa na no o say rade me a nsem fata na aduma bi du sem fie aduane because bi anya 40
cry
it will want 40 beyond 40 there na opese there na ka pese o say rade se onwa ni monyam se de afise ne no obesa de me nkwa amame there ka bia wa rade se it is that day fie da no kopim December 2023 ewe ye no bo nyoma kese ni monyam ma rade de
wa kra fa wano kan sempa ma ho kan hira nsem ma ho ebubu nsem tugu
my dear pay na da no ma meto nyom kire we ebuburu kosu ade be ye ntimi sei ntimi sremo it's very important to wake up with all the confidence that you want to have in this world also no pa emunum na wanim nka say edan ye bigger than you are bigger than edano onyame adom ne ho bro na nya a certain level of confidence and akukuduro bi to face the day because wo nyame no mo ko mo sunsum za 3x4 we mo come so mo tough
onam with confidence
mo de bansira akoto to mo ase ne kura so mo ye tough na wo no de obo so ba please
you
have to demonstrate it
sir we are na mo manya mi guru sa ade na wa ye no ye ni so appreciate God the nyame ase tonton dia tie bia wo dia yesi obi da ho ye di tu sa hye ni hunim ene ade na wo dia wo wanya humi free se ye de be obetun se se waso be hye hwenyambo a February se omo so omo betun suo ne anem na se nyame se wo dia ne dia no nya ne month na wo dia ye ni yearly kra wa imagine
okay so
no da nyame ase
that's it ye wie nyame ase da eni ti nka ka ana afia man kwa pese de bia wo menchena oto to SD for nyum the voice there na no da noble nkatia o se onyame ana this are striking difference by because or you be or singer or you broadcaster the school okoko school pon nyina no university okoko nyina no enye se na so be adwuma wi o onyame fred dan so the breast sim no oba wurem na afi what ya fam ko we de onyame di na kosie sie me at the right time no be nyina e epi
e ba ya so na hete e to form na ehome
ye wi asem
Emma, you know, so say fine. You be a phone line.
Yeah, of course.
International.
Yeah, well, yeah, sure say nyame aduma. Onyame aduma ena ekuada nti ya wada na efiade ebu hunkunta. So what I say because nipa do also text me say anka ye ma sa abre no because obi no bi ntimi nya advent bi no say woman be free or say baby or so pamade no kind numbers no be too ja mo so aha we dey good say o dey aba mo so e dey number no too ja na ye say mo free for business for you know e be dey etu mu da
ah o the airline ya so abuse chance no nipa da send afi no wo fra hwe Adom TV
ni ana
o man hini ni ana fie ni ana da bi ye kasa muntie
enye obi ana the camera muntie na no da be 1 am me butu ma mi chinja me nya bra me pa access to kono na me nya access na me ko chuchurita accident is you akra ko masiru oh the ever share me bube si no na ye da bi accident in eja number from na mintie no
ye na ho na
the boy he na me say one am say da bi ma me fa MTT the phone number bi e ben ho em fa ma na me pe fast service ni bi so am ni no mo amona e bia na mia no ade shi bi so ho aka adwa mo ye Ghana for dey it's a responsibility sometimes family what we go through 1 am 2 am
oh fro
the any the na ministers ni asofo ni dey omutirati omutirati that you say
nti ade na amaso wantimi ankoko no baby na akọ
oh say efficiency for mo that say ade no I film na eba o sabra akọ no mo obi anya gwajia no wa giri nyina sa ti ko
oh kafra anya he the next day no I think
say share peda me no no da
so far say wa bi me ba so the next day you don't worry but me enko detail wa dey see ye dey nya me
afia man kwata makro no
nya me do ye 2
so do hu be chow pa wo bi say pia wo wada
nya me antena seda so mani ye open pia so be she because any ma koso
kwata makro nyoma de koso
any ma koso nipa ba no afa na me ja ho chan nyama koso no nyama ye da so ate too far for
okay so why can Ofurata want to resign as finance minister
no pesa una because only here pa just so said akobo na
why can Ofurata want to resign as finance minister
adomonline.com
okay so Adom online and
akwabne no ro husem we
8 people that as
voter lake no
you know
as every year bia and me home pictures na enkra wo mo enkra
enua ne sisi mu na ama
enua ne nua wo mu ne bi nso ho life jacket wo mu ni bi and I mean how about ya na me yam hyehye ma omo a use ho no because the way it here no just a utwa sa afra no enso afra no ansa na watimi de yakobia baby apese okọ na se eso ye so dangerous say ya de ne ye as de bia na ba enipa wu boat na mem abu afaso enipa wu dey solution ye dey hin panifo eni de kwa so yesre enipa na efiri mu sa no yesre pa sa me call the next village and answer the next town akope bibia ba na be wie kire so de me kode ano dey life jacket no yesre mu mane no so mu mane ne no ne to no etesai ne mu mane no so ene bi mu nso matese bi mu so ya na sometimes person mo be hye aso mo jiwo mo hudi yes no omo matena omo nim nso ma se bi mu jiwo mo hudi pa but e bia nya nso na be fawo ti se trees ni sisi mu se ya root no ehine no ehye mu se anhwa na enu mu me be
the Ghana Maritime for quite embarking on an exercise omo
tutu achakra mini but me say o why say fifio se de o ti esre assembly no MP obia was a shena voter lake in the so was a sadia we try no ntwa maye na se boat no na ne huma mu aye merenso a mumiemiemu na munya de sefata na nipa ewu wo safra no so no ano ode
okay so somehow do to the work at the every man ho kwan
say we na nsa papa
we need na se ni katia explains change in NDC's parliamentary leadership I hope baby do come anyway and then Baumia can be a good president if
We former MPP MP na akasa.
We utie audio na.
Professor Jampo's reaction to Ato Forson's takeover as minority leader and also akasa was.
Tini nyina ba adomonline.com no wenya bre no watie audio.
So it's very important. NDC for who said no I could see say gidigidi mo.
Bia.
Oko tifi man je so ma shase
you know. Me wa picture be by so we Ato Forson ni we how na and old picture
be.
Oh sir.
Anyway, it's not say I never can was I'm pay there. Johnson I see it.
Tell them can we. Picture them can we.
Debbie. Na say me picture. And I mean to be no picture.
Oh wait me am say we no hwe anya no picture.
Yeah, man you say ma was picture.
Ah so.
Yo. Yeah, man you say ma picture. I feel interest levels also able shoot up because politics is about interest.
But I know so pictures be by yes or contested for presidential you know.
Or the yanko see.
To na penny me try the election in Finfield.
Daily Guide. Esiedun Ketia fires Haruna Muntaka in NDC coup and 2 cathedral board members demand project suspension. AG hits Collins Dauda, 4 others with new charges. Alex Mold, Gavi Vina to cough 5 million. Gavi Vina to cough 5 million Ghana cedi ex Maslock boss bail. And about the Ghanaian Times, any man here, special prosecutor and informed that Mr. Kisia Jabin, special prosecutor, say 10.4 million Ghana cedi procurement breach scandal. OSP drags NDACU, 3 others to court. And minority reshuffles front bench. Any man say Dr. Ato Forson, minority leader, Mr. Kwame, governs Agboza. Agboja. Ono so nimfo nyine ewa no say ejire da ne sim kama 3,000 Bongo residents set to gain employment under community mining scheme and missing twins saga. Hey, twins bi ayira. 37 military hospital apologizes to couple. Claims scans were incorrect.
Oh.
They find that the Obokrata say NDC top 3 leaders in parliament replaced and photograph Muntaka Mubarak nimfo nyine wa Ato Forson in Haruna Idrisu in and 4 to face prosecution over 10.4 million Ghana cedi Northern Development Authority scandal. And Abuja Naponso say government to raise local giants in small-scale mining industry. And the big one, IE suggests cuts to save 24 billion Ghana cedi annually during the lifespan of domestic debt exchange program. They find that the workers also do their back. I don't know. What was
and I know. Basa ayi 37 hodi couples ya na yesi twins ba koyira ye but say afedo ma ba say scan na em say na ye incorrect nti we dey be sere na scan kro no
all right
ya yen scan ye but education kakra me dey be man so ene say ye nyimu a like who say o me say first period na me do for hospital na yesi pregnancy our first test scans no enso ka ho eno tumi ma ye hunu de tie nti ye nyuma ye nko hospital o first hospital appointment hospital na eboa pa e ma muhunu bibia mfa woni se ni agro mfa nhwe wonsem ye nko hospital na ye nyi ye hu free ne ma bia ti se menche January na ekọ na wie yo cervical screening no wakwa akoye me do fo ye nye e ma no moma ye nko ye obema ndo no be hia onya problem ye ko chiasem ma no na sa who discharge be I shadanya normal ko hospital. Ono do fu ahia wie hu se wo menstruating so hu spots blood kakra ko hospital. Entena fie wa ankoto aduro bi enonom. Umientie. Na cervical cancer enkum. Basa wo tra so twentwen a na cancer no afi na enomom ebekum. Ti mo mien ko hospital na amakan ko hospital bi e ben wo so what say ye screening. Also ba be check you there. Kokko check it. Mayuan no mayuan from 9 years a cry check omo de no because omo do mo hu be madent ono kwa wabo no ho ban cry free ho mighty way na no be 3 years ago me kan wa ye simple ne ma girls ne de sorted na de wadi kan hwe no kokoye screening no de on kan hwe ye no ye ko bo ne pane no na ya bo no ho ban obi anye o me enye ebo no wo show de but and yes, sure,
no, it's important. A bono, a bit mama, actually, one free dachi or how be about and now. Why are you talking about the price? So it's very important. So you didn't know my boy Chidia, and then be a boy. See, because you do a boy, where you are pomo doing seven, and if you can have the bigger one, it was Ghana for the dona and Casacrania pomo di muno. Afibia Shasia, apart from so your bao casa, Biano was a member of similar issues. But the truth is that only Pebiano, apart from say emergency, a doctor, Becca says, so moving. I finish Shasia, it's very important to really go through your body. That's a full test. Ni Pediano, do show ni Pediano, you know, we are control when ni was so or sent or when and some other show liver, no kidney, prostrate, sugar, your man or pressure. It's very, very important. But how the bill talk a credit 500, 800, 1,000 to we calculation was 1,000 to work at 650. That Nippon catch 650, which me cotton to man, who trying to man, baby at over Pambi in 720, and the Mias Cacoton.
Beno crack up now, dear, said the baby in the Hawa or a cracker. Samanti be a crack. About
Pomodima, I'm a person made digits nippers. Oh, we have Ube and now 7 hour cano. Ube Wichi and Sovereign and now, Pomdi was an American, your comedy. Ube one Sovereign and now. In the next 15 years, no. No, correct. When your problem also will be. No, correct. Yes, I have Pomodi on some. So once you can uproot it now, it's all uproot to. So any pana oko soon say, Sikasem, no. The next minute, no, Ube Wunani Pacrono. Baby oti, a share or team, a Diana or DB or Cotoridi, watch a bono, no, a 10 times, sir, 600 now, or say, a problem. Yentia says up a relevant to us. You go only part sorry, we are, and a pana, no, Conobo, a you'll be the say, 15 years, Liminco Hospital, that no so country. Oh, yeah, 15 years, oh, me, 8 years, Granny, I'm not going to no, why not Yamia Duminiso? Why not Yamia Duminiso?
But that's all.
You have to go.
But even so, car crowd or what service? Do Cornwall
now, me. Be the 15 years in the hospital. Cosso,
Yamiadum.
Now that's the debut that was 3 minutes about away. The time the debut that
time that time not so. Young Corner, good your moon, some Sister Sandy be a guy, Fissum and a fay, Pensem more, who near Fidian free had near once to say, Panning near my pommel. Ekwaba.
Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwan dwumadi so dia wo kensi won sempai sa kenan no pensu ja medin the Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messin Kunya Econo Quantum Coding Samaudo and Sakana Penso e Ghana gudim eja Shanus Mame Senuma Kunya and Sam Madama woman album is graduate men and penso den kon eba 1x bet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet there and tasma we chen say we try before and I didn't before faketwa ko je kese na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose sikaira enyo ya no eno ana di twa bet obosu edis ka ko agyaw e asase bi na da ba bi edan bi abetia tabiri akoton fani na ko guso na twa ne befu na din befu mesrew boys enya financial freedom bro nyai new year nso eno ana ye de ko 1x bet intimesrew ana odo ho agim se ba betia boa ema osika sem so etia to ye je fast mr dritafi say infections native gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dipo adroi eboa prapra waharawa ne omna bo ho ema ultimate nchine check ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mo on sabetimi aka je fast na no kwese da be pa dance here omsi only je fast can save on setimi kebia ebeboa amaniama etia to ye dia ma sedimo gel and roll your ultimate pain relieving gel your campaign your dia fu a pampa so be pimo na se dre to ya see home eboa maniama etimi to ye dia ma kwa shaman me market na fitema so enye na ho so utu bia koton anase wotode aye ho no obetia friend 020 821 9129 na on a sedimo gel and roll-on yentwetwe nkomo yenhwe moa ema niama entintutu yemfama o madama wo mu ana etechira bo mena no pensu dia wo kensi hun sempan sakana etmejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yenhya se fan fi Carabao car pa etmensan to dwa no na se Southampton o mo transe ewufie ema Newcastle United ebetwa meka bakwa o mo entimiante fa ni nchirem o Italian Serie A kensi etmensan to dwa mra the goals of goals echiche na adom shirensu no o Lazio 4 against AC Milan. Firmamentin tom e bi mamu na say African Nations Championship and the 20 friends Sechan Ogia for ne host 2023 de no
matches ni between Santo Fema na Jude Sum Penny Beshe na Enyasem Kuma Kra na Group D no Mauritania for Chimali Tromeka Bako. Results of the African Nations Championship and Radi 8 Santo Fem de Wusu so 8 Jano. But yenko mu e quarter final appearance 8 Santo Jano. Chenos mam say ene homeda rest day e de match na Kings nemu nyame adoma ifieda matches na between Santo so Algeria any Ivory Coast and La Côte d'Ivoire and be shisia kan Friday 4 p.m. and as Kings case in between Basso na Senegal and Mauritania for Edbe Pim so also Friday 7 p.m. and Kings in between to Madagascar one any Mozambique and the Kings in between Bosso no be meda 4 p.m. game and also Ebe Basso na Niger and the Black Galaxies of Ghana Ranteno and Ebisha 7 p.m. Saturday and as Kings case in between South of FM Asempa 94.7 FM Adom 106.3 FM and the live commentary, the very description of whatever will transpire on the field of play, no, and the Bebroti. So when you have the Sokudonto, and what joining in Tempest of your head and never be see a call. But Black Galaxies of Ghana, our company, Glassing Awaku, our no air captain, no side captain, the man across the Fukuno, Eden Kumoha Kreja Ghana for some GD passing Yadoma on the completely deal with.
We are very motivated compared to. If you see how our big men, the management, how they've treated us, they make sure that whatever we need, they are doing it for us. They are there whenever we need something, or we call on them. They are there for us, and we, the players itself, we are well motivated because we don't need any motivation than to get on the field and do our work and also to make the nation proud. So this is the motivation that we can give to ourselves, being on the field and getting ourselves ready to showcase what we also have. We are very calm, we are very relaxed, and we are just waiting for that day to get on the pitch and make sure we make our nation proud and each and
Glassing Awako, captain for the Black Galaxies of Ghana, and now rest in the Messi course of any team had Tassemefi. Now, ordinary common so AJ was sending them ACTA or company. But Deputy Sports Minister Evans Opoku Bobi and so Edim Cranches Jamran and say, Omusikano, and as a qualification bonuses no, Gufrotum or my aircom, say, Omutimi echo the next stage, and once here Tebri says Cano, Ediamon, Wayne Cranches and Pa, PM or the Black Galaxies of Ghana, camp.
And like I said the other time, we shall continue to pray for you from today to the end. Even on the pitch, we have to say we pray for you. Because I told you when we met the last time that if you qualify for the next stage, there's a qualification bonus for you. I told you. And that one, the government is committed to ensuring that once you qualify, that bonus is the limit. Then again, if we go past quarterfinals to semi-finals, then there is another qualification bonus there for you. And like I said the other time.
Inti winning command also at PMDF Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports and so at the the Black Galaxies of Ghana players a world camp. But a cardia dawa nanka pro a chinchin, but a kawidi a chinchin manaya barre amani a bubu pepe narumu and the Stanama ACA qua, Nessa Kutukurias for a day, or Mobo Mudundo, Nina say, and no qualify from Division 1 about Premier League, or Chimoda, Air Parkano, a Amayofubi Shomo Bosse, Yamiadoma, or more Ebitian Saka Commonsassi, Nanka Mabesoma say, Sebea, Nkachimoda Sports Stadium no, on Bitiaye, na air crabeshe, busy sabri, chess and pain for the Bosch and the Bano, Hushu be a Mayrat Sepania Tom Pononium, into almost the Fisabri common of Fidio, air catcher and pain for Shomubia say, Faces Canama Sebea, Achimoda Sports Park no, on Betimi and Stadium, a bear crabeshe.
Kotoku Royals, a 50 da, ba Ghana Premier League Genimunu, Yoma Jenny say, Omufie, ye watch Chimoda, a sports stadium, and Komu Jinao, na Komu Siakai. Na so club licensing for kɔhwɛ ho ba ye no na nsɛm fata sɛ ɔsɔ mo gitumu sɛ bobo ko nyina ho nsiakan na nsa na kansi ankasa bɛhyase e my Ghana mu no politicians ahodo bi ye ɔmo apue mantemu na ɔmo fire ka ɔmo tribo mu a ɔmo ye ɔmo adwene sɛ sports stadium ye de no wɔ dan ka ɔmo de sika ahyɛ mu na ɔmo apegyesi wo na nso ebesi nnɛ ɔmo ntumi nwie ya bobo ko isi na kan e wɔ Cape Coast ene wonam saa nti welfare manager Edema Kotoku Royals, Reverend Emmanuel Pintom Presse, a bosha politicians ye de beshe womu, Edifana group Makese war down Omo modene emeso omasene. Se na be ya aboboko yi. Ebesan dan na need free Cape Coast. No abesina kan e wo fie.
Yesre eye MP fo mo mpatam ha nyina ihia mo mrem. Obi di se Honorable Mponkroma, Honorable Kennedy, Honorable Oluwa and Honorable Chemamafo. I remember say you call senior minister ho no others who MP so baby and they all give a promise on Beboa na stadium na ko nti yesre bebre say baby you do no Honorable Alexander Kosiakwa we take step no ti ebese so mu ina amra afi so obi a ofi odan na wa monone ebi mpo awoni amonone but nyame yeshira wo kakra mu ina mo Beboa na eduma no nkoso
ne papa ya no toye ene MP edima achimoda constituency Onunyamfo Alexander Kosiakwa ese sika potini 100,000 cedis wode toward ya makotoku royals nse siri ne amahodo abeboa no omofa nwu akwan mu se na be ya odan sports stadium ne begina naso na boboko ya bafie abesina kan
so far sika aka mabo yede aye stadium no ko be 200,000 2 billion emi butumska abayin feske bia mrebe obi an feske bia mrebe amanfo asusom aso ayebi na so hwa dwuma da ho no akakakra enti no se kutukuru asinti na ye brese ya ene na kakra betimi ayo betimi de abom premiership no ye beye na mum afie ayesi me 2023 sports ministry mo flagship program so be stadium ye no ne de ba ko aka no I say ba achem da nyame ya adom me kasa wie ye no Mr Speaker Jose Wusu first deputy speaker don't yakodwam agitu mu ka se ampa Kotukuru Royals any achem dan so e deserve so ye benya sa stadium no
nti amanfo ade Kotukuru as for boshe kabia no wadama fia no pay ko edi entempa so say mumu ano ayi entem de akomo sebe ya obeti abo ma achimo dance sports stadium no o matimi adane ani amana krabahwe sebe ya obesi amakan ho Kotukuru as etu kwan ekokwantintin asana o makobom ho adwa obabi akusi o makan eno ade ba kwa afeti Kotukuru as ye pa ohwe Ghana league log no so dia o mo na ewie ewase ono ma so teams makoma bese dunso no e de esi mo hompa so a o manfa kechiri kra anka ho nyame adoma ye de Kotukuru as nkomo no mo ebetimi asabrew na mini tu mesebo kwa no nra ohwemu na International Day of Education na eni kan semba ko etimi se PM se footballers a anhye da anko school e wotakwa hye so no omo na nra omu tu na mode omani kire mu takwa community basic school e wotakwa na omo ekohye students ne nkran se omo nyere omo nsua de paisan sa de sua ho ye omo kasa hu mabra bo mo de bobo ne se ne mesiti a omo de to de sua ho atim sampa bibia ni ade sua chi e wo mdwumadi a wo mo edin
Another and a wiase nyina ye isi ho a na ye di International Day of Education ne santi asukufo wo wiase nyina omotu gu mountain so a ebi hye dem ebi su sim konwa ya na mo gye nkyerɛkyerɛ eno nam saa no nti Ghana Premier League apoboku a ono takwa na owo mediama one ne players ena fe pinifo di animu ekopie mu a banchim MA school ye no watakwa ne mpatem ho omuko hia nkwadaa yi ene omko kasaye esa kyerɛ omade ka ho sa International Day of Education ano boa na desuafo yi ati niema bi ase eno nti na Golden Tree Foundation eka we bomu a mediama boboko ekohia banchim school ya kpenyina okasa de ma boboko no Patrick Koto ena afa kwasidonsu eye sahene agi akasa mu a omone nkwadaa yi ekasaye
adisua no edikan a afede o talent na wo no anyankopon e de che wo no eno so e be fie e ka se misina ma o se lag boy lag room e se favor bi do se body o boy se o nya favor bi e ba everybody
International Day of Education and enra media ma sporting club konzima kasema se chere se minuanum and enra wom ekosra takwa community basic school for na omosho mu kran kwesudunsu ana captain na sahene edema team na team sampa one manantene din so kama dwumadi atime sa to film no wesu na megina na mede maso da me besi a o kensi mu no besi ene na nkomo no edoso ye pa no so mam say 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet di diwa wadwen betia bom wani betia yakọ team betia ahyehyɛ ntim srew Betia na de adwene kakra tua san to nyesa de abet no e fa menase a eye bebiri afi so je fast mixture infections na tete wa won set me ka bia e betumi aboa koyeba shops ne pharmaceutical shops in demo won sabetia ka je fast na boa e ma niam atutu e de ma na afi so sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan ya odie dia e bibia o wedi ne bia fu pampa so be pimo na se no etu asese hom na boa e ma pomodon sem ejina pintin weradim Omodian da some sabitia ka sedimo gel and roll on. So to be a cotton and as I told you hono, obetia from 020-821-9129. Now on a sedimo gel and roll on from paying for. Yen kumwe, yen shemwa on sentiment cancer product TB or baby bia or bia. We so an imagina namidi and so common esi. Me so is the minya sansa, sena a jan el cordon kunja chino, Sapepe and a name so Sister Sandy be a guy. In terms of entertainment, Ghana had you be intimate Sister Sandy be a guy. And then come on, Diabano, and ya can suka crabini and can sukra, and a knee or the airba myself, catch up with your phone now for your mouth as for none. Ukrumono Pramfui na Sister Sandy be a guy, and then come on, a guy in Team Cell, were feeding and ha, now fe, Shesson and Emma ABC. Entertainment, Sister Sandy, I just say be out of rubber chair, intimino, and no, intimate India Yinsi. Oh, this year, Namachi opinion, Yadom, let me send your queen abua, Messabi, Messiah, the child, can see. Within the prof, as a good catch back up. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye. But before I say goodbye, we're hearing the message kwa mafuti awushi, bubuashi, kaneshi, abubloshi, fedabaka, coping bomeka, down suma da kuma kufodia sumsa wake, debodia smakes, a bimam ponte, fadi kitikrachi kupin sodu, winiba, kaswanya, na quite impuque to Jamai, akusumu, and initial sugako pedabala hoho, equity to adidome, Edwin Chepando, and Coco, Obomi, Boom, Quetia, Edwin Chimacupin, another Mahina time of the Mahin crew. Kubechim could young quantabu akitin kusunyai na fe ko ni chem elbrekum na fe kwa kopium el Cote d'Ivoire ya musukrum obia eti Adom TV mesrew ya na obantem sebe ya sabeti aka dwumedia ye de ebrewi within the Prophet Wallace. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Women's morning, I'm a different fan of our street. Ebra wo Badwam ahun se page medie Badwam no eson. Akoye se o hene bia. Onso hene otuman kwa hene. O hene no wo be mu hene. O amanfrafo. Kese, enti Badwam no ye o hene on its own. Dem se me na me ni fa hene wo Badwam no so enti Badwam ahun se pe eni one branch of Badwam. Ani ade bro me din de Sandra. O heme Madam ma adwuma nyame adom ne Ghana fo ano se no Sunday be a guy makanya afina me se ma guy ya na me kwa me yam hyehye me yam timi hyeme we a guy me yam timi hyeme se ti oba be sia na ti wa guy se na ma num nsuo mi no na ma ye na afi matena se agima ho me se nyame na aye na yada sorry ye no ensem bebre twego social no ni media no Esto. Bagani is so simple pa o. Yes, a side chicky bi. SU. SU papa bi. Papa no so first year we do. We you ma first year and okay, sorry, first year and o say effect. And a lot of people have concerns. So her comment section na obi e ka de ope and na oba no ye kwadwefo and I don't know but you see moment starting a man in kasa. Let's advise the men first. I'm not in support of the mumu bia you know. But we unko her na ere hu fe classic woman bi. Wabo PhD ye adwuma baby na akwala toto fi bi sebita fraction hu fi. Na wa fa na ye chi na okope no. Ya ba sere mo mama mo kondo mo yere wate de hu ye na ware no. De bia no pahwe saade no na bompa ye fa ho because it's becoming too much. Na ma me. Also page maybe ye. Side check enya adwuma page maybe ye. Obu ha what de all pa ni say obi ba be pe no no I sponsor na lifestyle sa no mo fe no lifestyle we live no tutu kwan no kwafo na kese no twika me pacho eno ne nye bra bobra papa etimu mienu no ba bi asa no be ko bia no e me ba ha be hwe emu njire mu nti side check enye se wonya case we be ye mo de enya de papa we semhunu kwa ena papa fo ne nso so no mama mo ne njim ampedu ti hwe woni na ire ho agro what you say many am pedwa ejuma so many years so akope obi da am pedu it's your classic wives no let them be the first what osmo bonsema papa fo ne and my Adena side check then the see. Oh God, you figure that that's smooth. And now na make us say there is no way I industry we mo sister Sandy Tiasi many way ebe share am obi disrespecting penifo a will never not. Say me wo but me when si was say ebuo a edi buo we industry no ye lose because en kwale social media and to beat me the phones na no edi panyin bi atem not here in many ways say Samini achewo agronim de bia me kan say Samini die e ba live and near dia oginem na Twitter homo sensen bi twagu one me bra Mike Sakode obede. And yesterday Sakode was here and the dusty show so they break it na assembly so tie mienu no because me fa ba ko so nyanyina so emu aten nipa kwa de ubu aten den be can be kakeja Samini etrotron simbi egu honom na one guy on Twitter etro say please when was the last time you entered the studio with landlord Sakode and when are you people joining again? There's no cast of joins, I'm release joins. And quickly Samini responded, said, not sure I will need a verse from Sak, but if he ever does need one, I'm not interested in that's facts. He knows this himself. Or yeah, I lose sometimes and I don't play that. Yes or no be problem for him. So it go slow you and your project so dull. He did it to me on Burning EP. Where your concerns are Samini, erase here what we are no so. Say obede ya alo. Eh. Me bra Mike amuso ya alo. Wow. Itiana bra Mike be PMO Andy Honum Brakwesi, and he was asked this particular question. Say, asemna Samini kano or per se what she's saying. And I really love the mature response he gave. But we'll need to some of
the whole thing started from Twitter last night when I just told fans to ask me any question they would want me to answer. So one of them came with a question about whether or not I would work with Sak again and when was the last time we worked. So I said point blank that I don't think I would need a verse from Sak, but if he ever does need one, I'm not going to do it because I have my reasons why I said that. You know, so I was telling him because I know the person that's asking me is obviously a Sak fan and a Samini fan and would want to see that collaboration happen. I have a few instances where Sak has disrespected me, but I didn't bring it out in public. But from how Sak Nation has risen on the Twitter thing and are disrespecting me even further for me coming out to spill the fact that something was done to me some years back that I didn't feel good about. But then I just felt like at 41, I don't have to hold anything back and I don't have to let anybody feel special in their corner when I know that I felt shortchanged.
Him feeling like that, I don't have any control over that. I can only say sorry to how he feels, not necessarily because I agree with everything he's saying, but if that's how he feels, you know, I don't think I have any, but my dream creating the things that he's talking about. And to make some things clear, I said in the beginning, I treat things differently from how people would treat things. So every person in this industry has some, I wouldn't call it pain because I don't care, because that doesn't mean that it doesn't happen to you. Everybody has something happening to them, you know. So I get it. He has expressed, if you want to take people to call and say, Sakode does things for me quick, you have 1,000 people who also say it. And then you have some people who also say, what I say? I told Bulldog, it's about the music. I just recorded, not because the music is not good. You could hear a song that is so good, but maybe you don't hear yourself. You're trying to find a pocket in the song, and then one day you do it. And then some songs, when they send it to you, it's like 2 seconds. Maybe, probably, if I send you a song and then you really loved it in that moment, you did it.
About Obede collaborating with a ghost, because he named him say Bob Marley anywhere as far as I see Onisubi. And Sakode did a Twitter space. When somebody asked, he didn't really explain the but back when since SO ni muno or say bisani biem.
As we are there right now, even Sakode has featured Bob Marley. It's so beautiful. At least we have somebody that can feature a ghost. We should praise him.
To human beings, like personal human beings, there's more of things that I want to see change. It's not somebody said something, because everybody's going to say something. So that's not, to me, that's not what gets to me. It's more about
this industry and how I think we've had conversations.
As we are there right now, even Sakode has featured Bob Marley. It's so beautiful. At least we have someone that can feature a ghost. We should praise him.
People had opinions about this particular collabo. Say, in a Fatasa Kodia was a dancer artist, but only be beating a winning Yankopon because so we are Yankopon passing and Kabe Boating at change and kind of some Sandra so. Ain't you know, Chi now must want to mean fine ye baby no. Same Chi Obede. On the first Ghanaian I nominating the BET. Same Chi on the first African rapper. Like I can go on and on and on. We should be proud of our language for once. When we say Bruni, I can't Chi. I a mistake, I'm a yastreneda. Debbie. My baby can't be free mistake, and I'm a na truly no. I think say a man also say yes, you're better on your dear because Korea, China, or Monka English. They are proud of their language. And Pedube country say German former can Dutch Alice good is Lebedish. It's Mamma in Kakasa no paying show. What Eno Baroni, a female rapper or Chrome has say. Oh yeah, dear months where you back could be out so or yeah, my dancers, no, but trotro, or more trotro say na me break me patcho. My catcher say, more made money at it, my men, some the doors for me chim. And so what's me metronomy medicodi and question near water shots na maneno. This year, say you man mini beam. It's a yen in Tientia. You, Sandro, Heme, you are this, that, na, yet. They say in some way, no tray. Concern netizens, Mama in decoding and pay. Or say, always record a full song, even if you wish to collaborate with another artist. When they refuse to do it, you drop it solo. Collaboration is good, cause together we shine brighter. But a star don't need a light from another star to be seen. I say no to short man you be no. A bit inside motivational speech. Ebi an portion and no condo say obe show be crying and also ho. But Mr. Me point frame what maninye tie na onanye tie when ya fee because I feel adwuma ne yen ne sa emfanye den. And there's good news for Ghana. Osmo bon sema mikrom Ghana because the rate at which the world we are seeing any Ghana they say ahwa. This is the time I'm feel proud to be Ghanaian. Guide me be pa me be. Once I say me dem ho amewade ntino. Mon sem ni bo ha me sheda nko hard on you. Nyame som wo me ni so nansen. Tina nansen no mo ye ne me bo ha me sheda mfie no. Nyame som a me de me ho akohyem no. Oh Jesus. Ama mo asem ne kan ye de. Na first na. Ghana last year nkofo e be visit ye Black Panther abaye. Or the say little one bibisa. Oba ha say enyo no nko a Gabriela Union no. Any okunu ya oye former NBA player. Ono so ba ha nkofo p visit Chrome I say. And I was so happy to see Sir Tyrese, American rapper, a posty shot of Chrome Ninyama Efe on his Instagram page. And it seems an attraction, no? I as a magnet, Tari, Hollywood for Hosa. And girl strip, wow, Momon Seme, Latifa Khan, oh, my twin sister, Tiffany Haddish. I'm so on shoot to Ghana, on the Ghana, and we are very excited. Say at least on be as a beast of no nation, be had at least be feature me chrome neighbor. Mr. Mo, Motamen come on translator. Please find a translator to explain what I'm saying to you, or Mamu you so actresses so much chin or many as I say it's too fake. We need real actresses. I can recommend a few. Lydia Forson is too dope for that. Mosmo Bonsem, Lydia Forson is too dope for that. Rosalind Ngeza is too good for that. Like Mube Chebi Go Ghana. People are recommending. Lydia Forson, Rosalind Ngeza. Ejako is a very great legend. Ejako. It's where I'm from time. Na sister Sandy and Mumidi, me metie kwa me refi me ho. Nti bia na me refi udi udi am besi me chin. But pasho these two actresses are mabom with they are too dope for roles I'm opese mo play. Yeah, who's me about favorite actress? And yes, I'm my favorite, but I feel their acting is very, very natural. Now, who besides a girl strip then? Hey, Onya, Pastor Boy, this work on my brain. Any aba maye me pacho ebia na ma modin oje ohudi one awie mu akom die mu hello FM asemesi me twesi me yade but it's for all actresses are very good in the country but I just feel say be more acting too fake because or da kra no wetwe nanim o su kra no mi menani aseme pacho eno die intino mama yen hwe hawa ebekwa maye na mata ye senior editor ofia se wose na eni kunu ne hokani awoda was wishing my handsome lovely husband wow blissful birthday Mr. Steven Statekla aka Duncan wow ene eyo wawoda pen yo singame inshrao onto won kwanem na onya wo kese we say free Mrs. Pearl Edusa Statekla honom or a PRO National Road Safety Authority yeah it was Moses a sound mami Nina Fantino and Akins a camera ede mami Sandra Sena Kako ye me producer nana make say Sandy best friend Jackie obi ba inbox maybe some Mr. for real I'm saying for real because Sandy the best friend Kwamsen Favor and the best friend Kofi Mole currently the best friend and Jackie 18 Pacho you need any just slide in her DM she's going to do it for you and on the director Sandra Sena Abba Akapo well be Kofi Ampedu ye senior producer and I'm Bibi Mami Boat congratulations to you Mami Boat congratulations to you I'm so happy for you I'm honestly excited because Sabiani inra honom ebi mu nra emba enye bia you take it for granted so nyame yema wa no wada na say nyame sure I'll be back I can't wait to have you back it's boat ye den chia kese ma emre pemu no we bring good tidings to you Miss Goldie Shamasa the Obeku Ventures ACC me Hidden Glow Florence echimeni mame me pa show mo Instagram Facebook and TikTok Sister Sandy be a guy I'm the guy Queen Zach Wushamo come and patch wada ma no amame Bows
Yada say Samu akwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na ohwe no yada Sister Sandy be a guy or any team na say Sandra Akapo so on dia hosepe na bre na wukodie efia dan so mbeba nti ya nya bre na hweye Adom TV so Badwam no ya hye dwumadie na kama e de amo yada say so oje bre so na ohwe na me wo Dr. Time da so ewa hawa jene dwa dada the time da so no so de on so mfa ne time ni agron so atena se dada ntia ne mekɔ no ho straight sana menini wia na afi aboafo papa bi aboye chidom se yemfa afisem nkomodie emre wo no eno so metumi ede abro nemum happy birthday nko ema Apostle Japheth Chum ewo service radio bi sunyane belated happy birthday nko emfa maunua ba adwa omare and Lizzie ene ne yadwuma ewo multimedia ha ye makeup artist ba ko eno no and always show a happy birthday brother nyame israel nyame nya wo kese nwosra ne nkoso anya kese ewo wabrabo mu nti Apostle Japheth Chum or service radio ba sunyane a happy belated birthday enra na ewa woda happy birthday enko emfa emma Dr. Time daso yamwache
mejoso
na bibia boko de
nyankopa
no pensu fita no so ni gold na blanket kama ho ayefe pa yada se papa yenhwe na ja adoye ne de waya se ya break kakra ho
ye break
eguso eye
o se ya ka se Easter Monday
yo
kwesi no Friday ye che TV 50
another 50
ye che emoni anwa
wow
ene ya sa ka se nipa bia onu so betumi on se Yesu Kristo sa obi yale ya wose kwana kodi dance sa wo a wo bekwa kodi dance no wenye nipa 20 dia ba se ma dance dia me kodi ye no menye nipa 20 ye be ma enoso bebre ababa jijibi wo hu ni se doso medima fo heba clinic ye won kuro bi wa santemamu a wo mo nyina se wo mo taam no ye de be che wo mo so a wo mo fa ka ba ko wo mo nyina faka baako na wo mu nyina de aba 20 ni bebre di aba ama bebre aba baji TV ni biko yinim di yeye because adanse ye koso e wo medimafo heba clinic no kasofu ntimi nyina na aso dem kase we di yalefo we di maba mawie honhom fam honam fam mo fo ko medimafo sofu wona ye judi enti e de what there be somebody no come medima funa se ne ho antono a medima sofu die nyina aba awie ye wonim de oye dey all kantia eno achi nso ye se ekura ombabo wo mo ho modern ye fa se bi akono ye cheke ye afi mo na bi abosumi we mo na motimi ba me di mafo heba clinic dodo ye ba betu boho ache kromu ni nyina
no so kan
asem we ebisi hefa djuma me di mafo heba clinic edie no enya asem ketwa se obi pe TV na ye beche ni Easter Monday dia onu de efiri ene koyi a omla me di mafo heba clinic card na wo ba begie no sa card na Easter Monday ni dura wo de ba be di live na 1 to 50 no unya kwan no bia wa ba begie wo TV de ya kan no na ya kan ayaresa aba ama Ghana man nyina abama obi biela otu ne nan esi medima fo heba clinic anano dwala na man bia ofiri jama bae na okase ofiri ablochire bekia ya na ayi wonu na wobubugu ho enti na adwin nyina nse yeye no wose maame bi kura ya ono kwachia na oma ne sika krosi esakura di ompe ne din kura tie enti afi abusuafo ba se ye bekia na wato ne hu promosi ompie free say oma ye na yale bi anka no ento so wada ho na bibi se omla medima fo heba clinic and wakache oni abakuso on drive na enfamila medima fo wo so ba ye ne 3 days ebesi enura wanya 2 months ya wode esa ko jama sisie no ne nan won ti bi afedi abusuafo a ompaso beba won ne nchen no wo munyina eto nsa didi bom wo he yale betimi aye wo beka obi na eye wo yale safo ene awurade na wo de tumi nyina ahye Dr. Tam da so ensa wo yale fo bi a wo hweme ka wakoma to yem se ayale sa aba be piem wo kumase abu akwa agogo doctor se gise de wo wuo ana yesie no sa nipa ipe ena woni akwanya wo medima fo heba clinic na se yensie na yare na hawo yare na etete wa maame enipa egu medima fo heba clinic dudu oni nyina la obiara nya na yale sa be piem wo ho na doctor onyankopon de tumi ahye ne nsa wade tam to yale so no emfa ebi ento wo yale so obi si mesisi me kotoge me chirika se me na se atata unia bi na ne kidney say ya reject ne se onkowu a nyankopon nam Dr. Tam da so asa ne yale no unia bi na ne sisi chia ya nyankopon adom enti ene watren unia bi na nani hunade a ye wo no anifra nani hunade da nyankopon nam Dr. Tam da so ayen sankyerene ene wotimi huru bibia no ede na woda so wote wo atwentwen wanantia bra chinchin abra akoma nyina wo ho anto enso Dr. Tam da so ka wo ka tira ene se baby biara wanantia akwakoduru bia ka wakoma to yem na be piem wo kuma se abu akwa agogo ehọ na wudura Dr. Shaw no nan ya no nan Dr. Shaw no numa no num wo Shaw no nsia ne bre empa ho na yalefo na wato no din se Dr. Tam da so Dr. si wo bu akonta be bosome miensa eko enan mere wafo atopoma aguo enkokorafo asole anantia yentumi enkan ade akina Dr. Fun sha se ebele a adansidi enku a Dr. Mani atio matopoma atwinio matumi akaso masole anantio ye ma mi kwa na ye na so da se obetuma beka atiatefo ho hwede onyankopon na medima fo so aye ejese medima fo ani ama wo hwan biem shananu obi a obi a waba baji eduro enyinsa bosome miensa afi na wo bi se doctor say na metua medima fo se wo baji awo dura etise 1/3 wo de gu wonum guna na judu mienu num wi na woni wukuna hia munhia biem babu so beso wono insha Allah nyame ode ebama na nyinsa ba beto ye funu mu nyinsa ne beto mu wi a ansa na de ye beje wono aboade no wode ni nyina aba umpe we na de na wope be piem wo medima fo heba clinic medima fo ni awurade medima fo de setete better oyarefo ma enfo de yale ma ho ensan so mfa nko fie biem da be piem na Dr. Tam da so enfo de Tam ni bi ento yale so anano me bo se mani adansi ama doctor enka Nyankopon kora ntua meka mani adanse a fi se ba bia me yede koduru ye no ma hunu hwi biem kosi se mani te ye da me bisa me ma se mo de me ko he de me te yan se mo fo ni nkofie na ba bia duru de enye ye biem efiri ho no ma ante hwi biem kwa kasa me te mani a na me da me mpa so me te me kasa me bisa me ma se mo de me ko he no se ye en was ye du ko me di mafo heba kre no kwase ampa doctor me te ni kampa na me se se de bebere betena TV so e kasa sa no kasa se oye nyame nipa Mame, afedi ya yalifuo bi anya and that's what say. Ni yale o yale ni be free no so wo bra wade na ni akyerem wo medimafo heba clinic wo Kumase ho na wo Nyankopon adom ti wo be piem a wade tam to wo yale so na wo yale no so unsan fanko ensan so fanko fie bi ana no ma bi o se na me se mabusuanfo okumi na yafa me kokofu me ye kokofo wie ye mfinshi ya nan ne me ntimi si mu da ma de yan se ye kumi ede afa enso se na dua hini ha makeka e wo me dimafo ma chinchin akoba bi ani kwa se nka me chinchin koka obesi ne sofo hu wo se wo hye ni ka eko unity wo se wo wu on kan kire na adai enye wo na me ma safo ma behwe wo a wonya stroke na no juo da ye a wontumi nkasa wontumi ne dia wanu nyina achie ene ya wada wo hye ni kasa abre kwa yuti wo wu a ka kire no osimi ngui na mum eye medimafo heba clinic medimafo abama obi biela obetu anamo abaho gisade wo wu pen wo bepie mu a yentumi na se unhui na woti ase na yale na hawo yale na etete wu a bepie ewo ho abubuafo nyina tumi nante edifrafo nyina tumi snapanie stroke diabetes pressure yale nka wo nyina ye ntatia case ewo medimafo heba clinic be PM na wo ba Dr. Tam da so a Nyankopon de tumi ahye ne nsa Dr. Kana asem bi se wo Nyankopon ne yale safo efiri se de wo ye ka no ka se ya ono na wo ye enti Nyankopon ne bo ni padua dia ba bibia la sinto o how amani bia hye bia no ono pe na wo Nyankopon o furu ni pe munya na de da o de fa na ko a wo hu ni pa mobo na kwa nipa yale hia ni chesika meka ma bi go so wose na medie akoso mon kanye de mede na manyetika de aba obida na ma bi yi wonu na danfo bi obo so hwe doctor no kakra bi ekura wu biala wo de koduru medimafo heba clinic eho yen reject sika bia de ekura wu bia se yetaku eyesimpo a wo bedura doctor behwe so na wa ma ho eduro na yare nso a wo de ba no on san so fanko efie da be piem wo Kumase ebu akwa agogo oyarefo bia kai se udimafo ye medimafo heba clinic eye Dr. Tam da so onu na awie ye bere ebura ni petu sikaguo nipa eboka na edipa tete wo yalesa ho no Nyankopon de na ba besi wo se onfa ne so na onsa yale be bia wo bia no enka se minya ho anka be konso Dr. Kwan ewa aboa pese didi kwan enwa be piem wo Kumase ebu akwa agogo na Dr. Tam da so de Tam eto wo yale so no enfa bi ento so wo ba si Kumase ule uju so wo ba ebu akwa si police station we see wha bisa say me Tam da so taxi station no ye be chro wo beduru a clinic fa yes station kama e green and white wo beduru a number no ye 0244 774282 and now 0500 727215 ufre wenyi na eba medimafo heba clinic
na misha dog yada se papa Dr. Time da so de di eno no yare bia time ne da so so ana so anso de ana se ne no wontumi nye no yada na se pa mamenkomra na me wonkomo bi ewo ho ye ba ebeto so mo akwa babie me Adom TV Badwam na aguso ehwe no na mame na boafo yi ase St. Andrew Senior High School awofo abatan yentru mike ne yemfa ye ba no nkoho so wo pe Senior High School a eno so bo no homoden pa wo my Ghana mu a wo yi St. Andrew Senior High School free mu a enye yie fa oba no koho ye wo board ne o dey so ho ntimfa ho baby a wo a wo hwe me efiri obetime de wo abofra no akọ courses ni nyina nso won mu kire bi wo St Andrew Senior High School Kelkit toothpaste chuchu basia no pane anumre na oya akra na wo chuchu ne sene de Kelkit toothpaste eno na wo hia e de be ma no se be ya e be bo ne sene ho ban wo chuchu ne sene no pane anumre kaka bia ma ne so wonya si yare bia me me chuchu ne sene enti Kelkit toothpaste wo pharmacy obenya bi wo supermarket be bia obenya bi ato kidney mini syrup eno so ye mojaduro ye nkra ne ya hyeda ye e de ama wo mu nti wabofra a wo so woni die wo mpa aduane mesre wo ma no kidney mini syrup ne bi na onom ubohu sa fe na didie mu no na nsakraya hodo nso atumi abam Piwak Natural Health eduro 3p garlic mixture nso eno na obia enomo so pese wo immune system ne ye den na astrafo no wo mu ho ye den bo ho ban fi yare bia mu a eye Piwak Natural Health eduro 3p garlic mixture pharmacy ne ben wo no herbal shop no bo ewura mu a obenya bia to nyumako ya da roma ene yedi enkomoyi na enu na nenam social media so say side chick bi SU ni sugar daddy na yes e bia ya agra evidence based no wa ha court no sermons ni nyina nso wo animo ha seye eye high courts ho na general jurisdiction ho na asem no akakopie nti no say side chick to me sugar daddy enti eba bedi ho enkomo me wo lawyer e wo Zoom aye ne di nkomo na fe counselor eye Pastor Dan enso e wo ha na aboaye na fe ye di ho enkomo enti no se asemi abai mekọ lawyer no lawyer be boaye legal terms no eni ade enti mekọ lawyer no ho na ansa na mekọ lawyer ho no mekọ Pastor Dan so ho efi se ko ba ni sei so no sugar daddy no ono so ni din e wo ha mama hwe enti plaintiff no eye Deborah Sayram Adabla plaintiff no de ono de asem ne court no na de oba court abe defend no ho say defendant no so eye NS Kwasi Nimako na fe First Atlantic Bank eye 7th Avenue Ridge West Accra womo na abaywa no asama womo e wo court enti mama nkolo ya officer abusuan wo mu owura ha Pastor Dan owura Nimako say na enya better sa o enti Pastor Dan no pay wote ye nka ye mo ache da se
yeah me do na what to say
nyame adom me ho ye pa me so say nyame adom ho ye
Christian Aroma ye ho ye
pastor ne lawyer obi a wotie me lo wo TV no volume ne ma me kakra ne ma ye feedback so e wo ha enti emu bia ne de no wosro no wo lo na ma me aha e ma feedback bi wo ha pa okay enti Pastor Dan that made us say pa na asemui say side chick SU ni sugar daddy enti wo de ye hwe counseling nom ne ade fi say sugar daddy anya wo yire e wo ma e na bank no nso eye sikakra bia enyumayefo wo mu adwumawura wo mu nom ne ade enti asemui say ye mia ede na obetumi aka kire me as a sugar daddy no yes you me no ede na obeka ede akire no
one say me chawa for on say we asem two consenting adults say nipa omie no omanyini nti enye ohye so anase bia obi force obi nemu two consenting adults enomde omo akobo
okay, Pastor Dan, even before obeka so mo ya adult o mate wo mo ho ase no according to Sayram say o de call court na kire say wo call bank ho no na defendant Nimako yi Akwasi Nimako Ernest ase before wo benya we wo be ye ha wo be ye say no just I want me da ohun sa de no and according to Sayram no so no as adwuma ni mu no bosses no obia wo girl wo ho as wo match wo ho afa wo ho nti se wo so pepa dia wo pesa wo chere wo mu service a wo ye bibia koso dia ene e wo so obi a ye no wo da no ya de so what say ankomo no so say ye ekoso aha nti em say sa na tie nti even before a consented agreement no asa nhye bi kakra bi wo akire ansa na obi gi atum because adwuma na say ho na your service na wo superior say wa anye say ya wo nye say ya there bi a obego ho kakra nti aha say na picture ne tie
one say e wo mo sa de but on say under duress and I say you repeat you repeat and to say or no happiness so she could have said no.
Okay.
Could be anti I bet my say no. Okay, no one and can hear can grant case. But almost baby says here and only the act of sex no one near can wasa. It goes beyond. And yet the act of sex, and yes the act of sex, meaning is here nana minya tinkanon kwa ena de ekosu esi. E won krabata bebrede enu ti na akofa sa legal tassels abem. Me hwe legal no. But me hwe from the social, personal, spiritual and on one kasan the image as a person. One say sex bemwa me as a pastor me catch you say any only an act of play. There is a spiritual dimension to it. And the girl also real share text now Sunday or say me or can the background ni be o free. And then you bet me the ayer no. But what kind?
Yeah,
and what the because or there are something called spiritual courts. And the spiritual court, or we are answer the physical court, you have become what's up. Now the woman said, who do you come be piano, piano? Your soul is tied together. Wouldn't the panacra at Chichabum, Genesis chapter 34, 2 and 3, 1 Corinthians chapter 6, and come as some say, he that joins himself with the harlot becomes one flesh, for the two shall become one. It will not be share now, or quite well crack, and so. It is or did you maybe Nasa or the fry your bibia, or when you and untina a soon be na a fat sikane power near the here only a use of sex because sex involves blood. Mojabem. Ghana can seven. Or share the confidence in our approach. Or in your betting air. Or so wouldn't name me. The me I'm a free ha. The met me a yoni. It was fat. Now some no say in a spiritual sense, no, or approach you with a war. May back all out. Once I demand dano. And the young baby war. God no what? God no can say baby or no. A evidence. Me can say bia obi akotwa.
Pastor Dan. Oh, I said Pastor Dan there na apostle na lawyer John Abote enso eba so na mse ni nyina no network na ye behwe na ye ne mpanifo emienu adi nkomo na afa ye hu na ye bekro nti no se ne wo side chick bi wo sugar daddy bia obia ma nani na ho ne nti se mame nko lawyer John Abote ho na afa ye ne nto so enhwe legal no se de tie lawyer John Abote anopai ye mu ache emze lawyer so de no enya ngina so ye rade ye be try director ni team no so ye ho adwuma se be ya ye benya mpanifo yi lawyer John Abote anopai ye mu ache ye nyano okay and yeah unmute your son my lawyer bente on kakra unmute your sound no my kakra lawyer mpacha otemenka lawyer mente on count your mute
me te on kapa ma unmute so
afe na mate on ka mo
okay
and I miss I want my bonten facha ye nti white no door so pa ye hu wanim fa fe ni ye but wo de anya hwe ye nti asam no Enti asam no. Yada sepa lawyer enti no say abayiwa Sayram adabla adaromenti yate se yetimi siu ye sugar daddy process ne to say then abemo bi asiu sugar daddy because so omo ho de as empra twen ne ye twen wo mrani mu sa then ebesie bema obi side chick bi obi empra twen ye betimi asiu ye other partner no
yo me da semitia ahwefo nyina na pay
omoje so
na de SCC ano enye adefofro na akwanya bebre a aba maganafo na yetumi emra no baby bebre ho a na yentanko metumi aka ne se na lawyer fo wo omemu na yedodo ne so a enti no bebre ho a yemfa ne se bibia se ye di ya hone ekoho osisi ana lawyer fo no bebre ebam enti no ye bowura baby ana nkane no na yentanko enti no bibia ni omaimu a oya yentumi mfa court bibia the court even say emrano kra no anye provision anase emrano eni mramo yantro no black and white say uye say ebe ye serious ebe ye say ya your bibia your friend the inherent jurisdiction of the court eye to me a war court ana judge for nsem asem no say emra bia yantro ho ba bi kra na otumi at the court but we there making anase yenua adabra kesi abai nhihye wo hu awamra mu pa
enti na ne akire yen hihye ni mu sesei NS kwasi ni mako ono so defendant ono so wo mu enti de na mra na ka fa ho ono so de na obeye
okay omasam no akoye say contract contract I won't say marriage and casa even our no a contract. Our a kind of contract. And so no impression no a contract. And yeah impression per se until I'm more court no. Or more court because papa no make a can send bitch ebunasum. I'm on so ji to mu say dear working magiatum. And you know na say a contract a offer and acceptance papa na kan you maybe and also adia to the contract ma for contract this our contract you know e wo hold there and the dia obebu sa contract no so bia no etumi twi no e de come anim e ma court e hwema pepper your ebem
na me pa cho contract no contract bia ya contract say ye wano na odi aka say ye paper so e bia ya contract
but just a contract there and yet they go practice on contract they were kind of one a kind of verbal contract that's the oral contract a valid contract a contract a demo pan teacher so be enya adanse die e dey support to there o se me say ye kasa contract no say oral la nipa no betu aka abakota abeka say ma nyesa netie ma nyesa but when you dance a day tight toward the and the demo and so my some way a contract can and now baby or also if you thought the law of thought thought is so so what
hello lawyer
papa no eka my minister papa no can send the break no
lawyer hono e breaki kakra ai hono e asha kakra na breaki ye ansana woto aso na mpacho de ni TV ne volume no wasro no onno ne maye na ma feedback pa low TV ne volume ne maye mete me ho nka me pacho pa obian lo ne de ne mame still Pacho, lawyer mean you.
I can say contract, you know. I am running for you or the law of thought. And see, your contract. I'm asking with contract when the law of thought was The law of thought will say no maybe or I said any black and white room, but we yet any pana. Obi or have to be a criminal. Obi to me, I bet me a civil. But you said I know she share. And so no, the law of thought Besha said a home obi to me ama emrano ashe na to me edit the ye atu.
And now oh can't say no. Evidence na be say bia so test o message and I say wo audio bia e no na betimi aye dance here. Hello
I know case no na say one say no dey akodan court etumi edi
enti wo sha say girl no timi provide we no nyina say de ye hunu ya obetimi edi bem de obe request bia no obetimi edi bem.
But be the bimpa so to me the evidence I do best support the case now and I say I dance the data at the B or say or can say or no for national service or so in the first place let's to me establish some the national service of our bank now and the services who ya won't cut out the back and or say can say a panel or contracts omo retain omo na kan say manu de mani jolly kan bi ma na obema muska mane dia kodija na fa da bia man enu ti ono so so anye e se odi anu so evidence ba ase papa currency diamond toka 1.2 bits kada dan 120,000 kan e se odi ni na adanse de nka kana se adibia ebi ho adanse eba ebetumi aye ni obi a oye na damfo anase owo so bank ho anase yo no na damfo me ko baby ba no ya witness obi da gina that me so aka e de tina sam no so na aye collaboration there from
okay enti lo
etumi gina ho yi
okay enti ma memra defendant no so abayo no timi provide we no nyina no a na se bia ekoba se ene be defendant no edifo a eno yede ni tum ana se ya mani tua empata sika edema no na se okodem a how many months or years
that be way a civil case
okay
I case a police phone him on the way no yankoda prison
okay
we no sika
okay
and abaya na eje any car any no maybe the same man nyina no te court ji abaya na asem tuma obema no tumi say onko no onko ji sane man no free be man ho
okay yo nti yamra
man so akwanya
pacho miti o be man so akwanya ha
o akwanya obetumi di ni defense akose de abaya ne kana nya no kre me na twempran bia me nti ha dan bia ma no me ntoka bia ma no obeye adwuma no me na anya hwe nti de oka na ye ntro nti court nhwe na no so de ono so se abaya ne ka obibia obetumi de approve say adabi abaya we kra no ba ye kra no ni number kra na me phone so mo pa mo ko MTN for na mo ko hwe me na be no ne de ani ayi call kra me friend da ono so friend da nti de oka na ye ntro obetumi aba se papa no betumi de no so aba me dan court ji tuma na papa na de
yo enti yamra second defendant bank no so ho no so na gya no make some allegations binum ni ade say ene mayiwa no do bia ne de wo ho no mo ho so no point bay na gya no betimi de agina so ma ho so wadi be mo wo ho famu
aha yo me da say a bank ho no so a bank for no obi ye jadwuma wo bank na wo ya bank no o asede say obehwe say nipa no yenye na yakayaka de na the law of thought be mu otie abaya na ana wo hwe ne nsem na de kodan court na o ka say papa na fa inrobi say de be ya onkonyim sesia na sandom no betumi enya effect wo na wo die no so enti no ho no so court nhwe no mu kan ho asem na the law of thought no wa ho ena wo mu ayadwuma bank ho no bank no wo the duty to ensure say obi ani ho a ye be ne aka na say ye be tia ne fa ho de so nti say bank na hwe han na mpanifo na wo bank ho ampa say o ma cheche e mana fa na obi a ne de a na bank no affiliate in that regard say aso de that bank no so say obehwe say yentia obi amfa ho de so no bank no entumi andi so because utie aba na say o hye aba
lawyer network no emoye crowd and so you say we make a point ni na clear e dey amaye
now or kana I say one peninsula papa
okay lawyer you better say ya the lawyer dey no be see her network no so crowd baby wi echi wa na wonwura wo amaye but lawyer make a point in a clear so dey amaye law say bibi chiri ya dwen biemu a wada wo mebe sa ba onchen bio na afi wa cheche yempa yeda se nti mame nko Pastor Dan ho so na afi wono so emfa yenwie wo ho Pastor Dan pa chawote yenka
Pastor meton ka pa
yeda se pa no umre no wada age nguso twen ye enti sese ne de ye hia a futuo ani ade owre ni mako abusua wo mote asem ni sei enyo officially say acha da akobọ mama na yese bibi say na ekoso for you know social media wa no mo so te no enti say no mo mfa no emfa say no mo handle case no
well say ade bia no a ekoso woni pa brabom no because e won sunsanso enti we ni sunsanso bi ni say kwa wi etimi kwa abusia no fi on say woni pa bia no ade ba ko ese wo hwe ni yi e wudin a wode nam so we do go fia to the beer heading so betimi asa agi said in the show me mean na me papa aswa ka kire ne se me hwe na mangu edin anan ho fi enti omo wa dwemi se eni kwase egudi mu fi se si ya na abrante na de obakofo de awakoye ama wanhwe yi a ya nhwe ne yi a antimi insanity a e ba ko ese ebuhia ne din emu agufi ne se ni ntino ese se ye bomodi atu adamom bia ebema aye corrective ebetumi enya nsusanso papa se enkoye ade bi egu anim asenemu sepo bi besi yempo yetumi hwesia ne atoso biom sa nieme ekoso sie o afia ekoso sie nanso girl ya de asie ebema ya kwama ne akwanya ama niema ekoso wo enuma binum any kwaya fasu tietie ni papa wodi no so abedadi
yo nti pastor nti na de me kan say de say nyesi akokot awie wo mugu so di ho asemo nti family no asese wo makomo oyire emma eden na wo mu hia sese enkura be ko school ede ya wo mu ni obi mu bedi mu papa dom ne ade oyire wo fie say no wo mu soki asemu say no wo mu mfa no mfa.
You say, you know what? This is the time to support your husband. This is the best time to stand by your husband.
Obi also okwa ne wo mu ba be jai. So as wo process of omu jaye.
One will say eba ne say ya enye wo no eka bom ye hia oba no so obedo ne kunu be janechi. But you tell me for 3 reasons. 1, so when you're a china what you go or banus when your image be said, wo asem sia who janipan. Number 2, one kasankasa one birdo capacity say who free a warrium kwa whatever from asem sia and zubejan. Number 3, image ben and at the benanti. Girl no ane nukunuko boy drama no uja nukuno near their cat at their tarom. Intermediate ayana the American say problem be a bebe wakwan be a bomodi solve. Now solve what a boa monya a lessons for the future. Sawari no po anyina wo famu de de wo ye den. Wo ye. Mama say a typical example. Ebra bi si wo America o mampanyin bi de. Gena ne yire ye ota ne kunachi. E no mo fight is a case.
Okay.
Fight case ni bi e no be kan fie de. Nti sabre de e yire no yem fam paibo, yem for do infanta be manachi.
Yo na e manon so e na tam na so
ondan edi ahunu any adwensa kiredi.
Okay.
Because enu na be ma awodi mabusua na ta na chi say dia akwa wanu ne hunti yenta na chi ne yemwan.
Okay. Pastor Dan facha me pa mrena so. Ai mrena so nenso ye beda se pa kakra wakan minim se afane afan de ne de mpie ye no ne ade obi a yebefa bi aboy nkoto dwomne de aboy ho bra yeda St Andrew Senior High School for say Kel Kits toothpaste and afei kidney mini syrup na Piwak Natural Health 3P garlic paste don wase midi de afia amankwa tamaklo yeda mwasepa ye koma ne kwabna sante etwaso.
Well, ya koso da nyame ase se o koso to de ene so ache kwanso nkoso kra ebraso se to en komo so mamenda eye efia makwata maklo sister Sandy be a guy and afi eye Professor Ike Wallace me do mo nyina se wona di kan na wona be di djuma kama ye to adwumaje no so an si na menka o se na otwe wi ye eye enua be ma Santa Baron do not friend kwabna edu e wo sagimase ne maame e da fom the 1 week observation and then you are paying my money by paying 1 week observation because so a year Sejimasi Yankotai Ebusiafo echi na one of this year Sabri Kase Radiato from no na Bibianko Kama enti the late Oba paying Florence Abena Chumwa Edu and the late Professor Dani Kofi Edu 1 week observation no ebekoso was Sejimase Presby Primary Park Saturday the 28th of January 2023 inti omi enkotai Santa Baron kwabnedu enkotai nechi na wi enkokama before trase Daniel ni kwatai Titus Glover kane mashebejeni kane eye swafo abedi achire watrase e wo hanse sanso na awuhro ne awo sana eye both parties ni nyina no ene yen central for no efre no obaboko be wi echi no na nsuo no nyina eni ayese galamsey nsuo no nti watina sibiem ene ye be kire choice of colors you know so kunimdia ba Amenfi Central match be na make na sem no onimnyam for marine engineer Peter Kwachiaka nemba wi ase nyina aka few female doctors one omonim dia konkan yie our doctor adwumanim we are not just Ghana we are world we are now onima world few female doctors are almost specialty near so limited nti ono so de nyameti media dom no bakwaba
ya me de
abo ni kwate Titus Glow bakwaba
rambesh
there's a culture be a very worrying. But I'm sure say Ibidian common I don't know. And you might pansama even now when the Supreme Court rules, it becomes a difficult situation for it to be implemented, and the police serves as an interfering body in Supreme Court rulings and judgments. It's so worrying in this country. Very worrying.
Me too.
It's very worrying.
I think I heard you.
It's very
about
worrying.
this Tarakoni.
Yeah, this
and
it's very worrying.
Student Kings
Yeah.
something. Seriously, this man has been doing all kinds of things in this country.
I am very serious.
And the impunity at which he's throwing the rulings of the court to the dogs.
Just like that.
It is unacceptable.
Oh, wait, serious.
And Mimba. Yeah, once he transit as a state, you see, the courts are the final arbiter between two parties. As a court, a man ruling from the lower court, high courts, court of appeal, Supreme Court, that's a police benin impede the implementation of the decision of the court. Who are we the enforcer of the law?
Yeah.
Now we're going to aid, to deny their wedding. I mean, it's unacceptable. And Akufu Dampare, does he know?
Everybody.
And I heard you. Was he
everybody?
From the president to the chief of staff to the national security to the BNI
honestly,
to everybody.
And why do you make sure Ghana paying for what you have for both sides? Because several international places in the world, and I don't know. I don't know.
The Japan picked on him some time ago.
It's becoming.
anti Cobra.
That time. I don't know because I was
I'm in full support.
Yes.
Sir, crusade na washasi no.
Yes.
We should all join that crusade.
Yes.
To protect the sanctity of our courts.
And the Nungwas
decisions of our
people,
courts.
They should wake up.
And the Nungwas too.
Yeah, they should wake
must
up.
Protect what belongs to them.
They should wake up.
Wakadrene
too much.
Wakadrene a dos.
They should wake up.
Wakadrene dos. The land does not belong to Tarakoni. It belongs to the Nungwas too.
Too much.
Bremwe.
It has always been the best.
Yes,
peace of mind. Oh no, yeah, I know John Akute. No, so no Okano. Oh yeah, I know Akobo si on the crash.
Say what be Enchi, you know what I mean. Enchi, Jamu Kano. Enema ko chu money. Now it's getting worse.
Yes.
Sometimes when we who the history, the man abanasa. Impunity, culture of impunity. Source ni free head nankasa. Yes, the presidency.
No, what is it mean?
Because
what is it mean?
And easy is a head.
Court of my judgment. What the baby only for the because no, man making the point because in my you know, kwachi me be for also make say. Now the president is aware. Set out the national security to go and investigate the matter. The national security came. Say, and you know, Cressa, Satraconi, no, or was Sassas, the India.
Yamacha says, saying, oh, Yabatna, I can't answer me. Since President will bar power, and you might get you worse in terms of impunity, I'm for a culture of impunity. No, and now Eddie Diamas is saying, look at the history. Presidency now, Kasa, Yanchi Prosini, and Finicam Amrono. What happened? A year you got to about Ayawaso. Ah, Uncle 40 came him a bomber at you. What happened? You call court, you crophobi a call court. Ma, ya the judges at Yakumim, Macrofoco ye won. Ephraim, ma judge Johnny. But my more, dear Assembly, see it is a building up on Kakranka during the reign of Akufo-Addo. It is the dream mama. See by a camp once make me a list. All these happiness are authority and camp once. It is the I'm a sorry, you are more to you, born up till now. You can't once. President will not even open his mouth on commenting on these happenings. Yeah, to a bankrupt for your bone to you, 8 year bone to you, you are not about to Bremuno. President, a being a no aka.
So Saku Kudrono is because a so I basa.
Unca president, as some say, Sia, as some case, yes, money. Said your money lectures, fellow Ghanaians, who are better now, who are addressing nation, said, no, this thing should not happen. And I'm saying, he said, those people now, yeah, you know, yeah, invest in dealing with them. What is the Sunday MCC? President, I can't want them that. I'm a sorry, Mommy Pay, body to you, you can't want them that. Kaka, your Kuni, President being another. It means President supports these things with culture of impunity, or be a 2 year, your PBA or minimum. Or don't I swear, yet you know, a person back who unifree name. Ukokumase, they say one man, our company, friends, national security
coordinator.
Coordinator now, yeah, and you know, I'm on the camera at Dasso. President can answer. 80 million. The way they are part of the system. The president himself condones these things. And I'm obeying on one appointees. Woka Canada pon wa meka say ni pokum JB Dankwa wa meka has there been any action what be boss obi unu boss yenim wonim ni po ye wo say dampare ana you know police command onim up till now nobody has been called to answer questions
But I am very worried, Kwacha.
Yes.
Say, you bet me, I say, you know, baby, a bojoso. Asem sia, baby, a bojoso. A court. A qua could do court to bad time. The court to bad time, the becano. Osa call review, not and one maybe or mocano, and no, the baby will be any Juma. In this case, court to bad time, kasa. Implement it is a Peter. I aunt you. Say, I need court to share so. Not one also a better court to share, you bet medici no mono. I call for Bisua and your papa there. Then me there.
The country na Kasano. That is the culture ever country. Mama later you know for events. Actually say a lawlessness of family. You can say you can't wait and once a man. You courts near the courts. I want you wanna a judge. A crofoko a koya yamanado. And I one case I can see. What did the court do? What did the court do to those people? Say court ya answer say ya ama ya fano na kele je pro be kaso nkwala e be fine won. And Pedro on ya fine won. Court na kaso. Can Japan I made di a judge si atem. We tie tape na say ye kan sem na. Apart from the judge. Yes.
It's a
yes. Judges na kaso. Obedi di o matem e kasa ensem o kai no me sa me ntumi nyina ho nka enye fe. What happened in the court? The same judges now ya on sa no okopie o manim no judge na siye fiansi it mean no say decide ya we have allowed ourselves the whole structure the whole system because the entry in Japan the judges atem no man to me anye any action. People first said that was going to be the end.
Okay.
And so fiansi ye jana mani course
all right.
You tell say Supreme Court akasema
but you should be worried though. Don't just watch it away. You should be worried though because account here. Account to answer.
Na kwa brand ya kan wasema o. Nye nne ne be kanti mama o records yi. Nye topic ne be discuss. Now can
but it's very important.
What can you do? Until there's a change. I don't want to tell me about your person a two crop for egu. Sa bani ye tugu na sa culture no e free ho. Culture of impunity judges no cry dio matema. We want to take action.
I decided
it is one side.
Limit discussion
on the Traconi
any
King's Cottage issue.
Any court no but maybe akwachi akadia ko edie. Say who true. And now who wakukudro a case impunity. You have the nerves. Do you go back to your history of your party? When you say impunity, lawlessness, it is embedded in the umbilical cord of the PNDC, NDC. Hey, now what's it then? You abducted judges and killed them. You don't know your history of your party? And I want to say, video TV so catch it and say, as a man, I can say, ye ma institutions of state, ye the Juma. So the presidency, na court ama ruling, na se police, was a more enforced war.
No more.
Hey, why you are the president? Why don't we blame you?
Please. The DC form na ebia na also oye adwuma ma ni mpesa sofo e wo na se bibiesi that is the responsibility of the DCE e wo Memphis Central wanyo na mu be blame kachiaka e wo nkanya is it the same please somebody Kawanu to na min kasa please if you finish so please
you don't have a problem
please
you don't have a problem.
The question
it is important for some of these things to be discussed.
But edu baby a ye to ye boase ye din sem assembly sins so a ye kasa dia kwan ye be fa so a ye be siesie na ye nyina na ye but where you want to go and jump when you know very well that the impunity and the lawlessness started from the revolution.
We are talking now.
Let's talk now.
Okay, so Kwachi, walk us through. So we are all agreeing. We are all agreeing. Say, Nikwansi a boost Supreme Court.
Not at all.
and any kwanse oppose force to interfere in the rulings of the Supreme Court. Yen koya semso. Mo na ene Ghana nkomo no ebia mo ba fa ho kakra bi sense mo den sachrai kakra bi aba. Walk us through sachrai quickly. What is it? What is really in the state?
Oh, minia. Makachi was say bomofo ne de ni nam gua paso.
Yeah.
President has said man no. Ona ofe bibia so una control police, who control judges, who control the whole executive president.
President control judges.
Una ofe bibia so.
Hwesofo.
But bibi ko wronga.
Untimi ntwe unfrim kra.
Analysis of ban say DC ne MP no different. Cause me DC so. Yes. But so ye DC uti ho. Na say
you collaborate with the DC.
Exactly. Yes, but DC ne ti ho no. Na say bia ni coordinating director, the finance officer ye bibia. O tumi twini hu firi so. On na we head. We are head of that institution. Yes, in tiane de we are president, o tumi ka say police for ye bibi tiane no fam. Nya na appoint ye IGP no. Judges kura nya na appoint you.
Atobo ase. They said they see ye ye ba oshi mu tobo ase.
O can even NDC tab, PNDC tab ni ade a. There has never been a timer obi atumi gina confidently what did the judges attempt.
So back to our conversation because
back to our conversation too can leadership now.
Leadership now, what really was the issue? No more issues. And I say well
the IA no. You want penny for party for be this leadership no ma hold you papa 7th parliament and 8th parliament me especially Haruna or Kasa the way he speaks no yeah was a tie kotu literature ni I love literature, I love language, and I love this man for not nothing at all crowd speech o gina parliament no Kasa and so who say yes Beba na say I'm not from compare crowd or send some chill down with you. We all like them. Yes, now a series Kasai. Or sing yes, or my body be, but strategically. Yeah, but ball as sometimes a Messi near replacing. What you ask, I didn't hear you Messi near the player Biaba. Maybe sometime I meet you say, hey, or more some impending match be a
more demo.
And yeah, or book a crack. If you can't watch Uncle Homie. Last year. Na me fear match be we one player City, Man City, or she had 3 goals. New sensational.
Say minimum say Haaland was there.
Hazard, Hazard.
Haaland, right?
Haaland. Wa she 3 goals. I go bet my share more. E hwa na yi no. Na le no money enye record. Wa she 3.
Coach na nim di oye.
Coach na nim di oye. Na coach na yina si.
This time the fake na executive nim di omoye.
It be there we no ye nya hu we secretary Abeka say nya body or me say secretary.
Chairman
secretary. Secretary chairman. Enti wa Abeka say nya body bi o manya ye so mo anya o madwuma. But strategically and ama assistant eba. We ka say Haruna ni wo me ho ni ye o manya o madwuma dia. And na say enya no correct. Yes. Media me who say omadwuma ye no can be wo ho afeji ono ye chairman of public accounts committee. I work on that committee. I know how this man said ye na dwi mu si do ye call committee sittings ye call sittings near the meeting there you know how he is, and I don't think say body bi no maye and I say omadwuma ye no enso ani by example na mama no strategically no and a chairman say omo ayi on say you have different face in family.
Okay.
Now, especially in the middle of the session, no. Yes. Now, my Nabinim so can say, any can say, then I won't go into the details. But 2 tells him about Parliament in the 7th Parliament, a chairman, ne Fushampofo, and then secretary, a sitting Ketia, number Parliament. They called us and informed us that these are the leaders.
Also, they Mushia, no more catch them say, we will can before.
Yes.
And you're more na more. When you can follow through the National Executive.
7th Parliament, Sano Moye. A Haruna ni win Mumbai, no, Sano Moye. 8th Parliament, this one year call ye, and so Omobai. Omobai, I would say they are maintaining the leadership. There were some memories as usual. But they said that is final. The leadership of the party have decided. No maintain your money.
So it's no news.
And to me, that has been the trend. The only thing is different the way no. Oma and Freya said na 2 occasions on Freya catch and say
Ansana.
Na me so me tua me say bia enra na ke the parliament resume enra Tuesday announcement share time or there nka resume.
Well, whichever way. What you've just told me, it is a normal practice. The only missing link is say Oma and Freya.
Yeah, that one, yes. Previous to him, the more fraying. Into way no, a bian come here and say, Enra, na ye resume no, and Ankasa, a shame, I don't know. And she,
but are you worried?
No, but sometimes we leaders, sir. And I'm telling you, America, uneasy is the head, that wears the crown. Yeah, ye leaders, general secretary, and then chairman, so Omonia Jumebi. And the Jumana Moyan say in the end, no, or there you didn't kunim. But this thing we are going to judge them one day. In case as at now, no, we cannot know. But change is very difficult. Say change parts, say Haruna Yenimino on no cry mu ho. And I'm just medium say Haruna or Kasa, no matter. Also, I West. I love literature. I love language.
Okay.
Over free honor. Yeah. Me answer me. The moment me tranka. Say we are Bonnie and now we papa.
Okay.
I will say well, we see what the leadership will say.
Okay.
Maybe you resume parliament. Penifone betransi. The umbe cano. Whom say we are paying in parliament no. Who the baby activity actually my quantum. I don't have much say. Inti yoma yeno baby beya baby maybe it's for our own
okay
good.
So Niqua Titus Glover a normal practice say a change yaba we call say na city at least you've been there the now for what's your constitution, you know, what's the mood of the party even right after the change, you know, so how does it go
na kwachi uona musician yidi bi pese utu
ade
musician uona yes, and you do need to be better.
So what you mean? Hey, that's what. That's what I say.
Oh, say.
And you do need to be.
And
this musician be
with you cry.
Me was social media internet.
Also
one of the contestants in your bar.
Oba.
But she's the wife of a musician. Something anyway. That's on the lighter side.
No, but in the thing,
Momra, na send the coach. Leadership there.
Let them come.
Now we are family. Una mo chassis. Let
them come.
Also no nim.
Missing me social media. I'm a video man.
Some destabilize you.
Let
them come.
Let them come.
The former leadership Yaja Honorable Doyo, any Ahmed Banda, and the current Amwa Benina are good friends of mine. Because 6th Parliament. Nami a deputy ranking member for the Committee of Trade, Industry and Tourism. Professor Jambafo and AME ranking. Amadou Surgo and the chairman of the committee. Nami Kaiser Ricketts Hagan and the vice chairman of that committee. Many Honorable Haruna, aye Juma, that time na ye International Trade Commission bill. We worked very closely at the time. Now we are Minister for Trade. In which the performance, the delivery, the composure, the Juma Yawano has his own strength. Oh, the Yene Juma. Muntaka, fantastic, good friend of mine. Na NDC for a year on changes. We say no wine, it is their party. But there are few lapses. Uti chilina wusha. Omonze said the omusi ye adiano. Enkuyi. Ni kredi abako. Adena me kasa. You have structures in the party just like our own. Here the steering committee, National Executive Committee meeting, then National Council. More steering committee. More saying, more neck. and National Council Functional Executive Committee a fake to take a decision like this, a major decision like this. And when I was simple, and I hear bo is in Ketiani, and I'm a colleague, a bisan say, did you inform these leaders someone? Because yeti hey, say Kwesi Chum and not Ken, as host of this show,
you definitely come to me.
We invite you to a meeting. This is purely administrative procedure. What do you translate? We've identified your strength. Why you juma ewo bedwam? You share her. You who say I want in the world a coffee. Go Honda kosher admire. Mutually, you talk and everybody understands. But you don't do a coup. What they've done is called coup d'etat.
Oh, changes no.
I'm telling you. This is a coup d'etat.
But what catch up machine?
Not jail and go. Yes, and me na me so me come as so take it easy and let me flow. Me see why a coup d'etat. Because ese do nketia say almost man crofo say inkone no mun kokasa. I heard him.
Almost
smile. They sent elders of the party. Is that the right thing to do?
With this decision,
after a major decision like this,
the chairman,
because Usha standing orders now is the party that brings the name to the Speaker of Parliament, and it's a party by saying, yeah, you fight your leaders for even working so hard in 2 terms, 7 Parliament, and in the 8th Parliament for 2 years. Marco recess Christmas, maba. That's a book person mu yom flowa. Cobra, and yafe. I will challenge simple say,
Adamasi for Juma.
Muntaka, ya don't wase. Are
you saying this process is now?
It never went on.
No.
It never went on.
No. It's not possible.
What I'm saying, listen.
No, it's not possible.
Listen.
How can you just push somebody over?
Me say,
how can you push over?
Come on, I say my tia dia mekano. Me wo asempe na wia. And they said, say, him, the national chairman, and the general secretary who appended his signature to that letter to the speaker, they did not invite the leaders. They sent emissaries to them and speak to them. If it is you, how will you feel?
Now, how do you do that?
How will you feel?
Oh, media.
When I finish, don't invite him, please.
No, but it's strange because
come and kasa.
Now, time here. No.
Now, I am telling you what happened yesterday. You see? And they said, "I say, yes, smart elders of the party." Now, don't do it, Sonny. And for you,
now you are intimidating him.
I'm intimidating. What's so clearly, you could see that the center cannot hold. But when you know, the day you elected the same Ketia and Fifi Kuti, I realized you are going to have a problem. And you know why? Ebrana Ahmed Ibrahim.
Banda.
A same Ketia launching the campaign. Okoho, Eko Kasai. And Okeka say the entire minority caucus are supporting him, including the leadership. Then Aruna came out. I said no. As leaders, we don't supposed to align ourselves with anybody. And for me, I think that the Aruna Troye, it is fair. Because your vote is your secret. As leaders, I didn't know who align and yes, sir. And because of Sadiano, I hear friend saying, Asimasi,
oh, I don't think so.
Question back one, maybe Sembium, and good evening, Ghana. Poladum Watchery, Ebo Sandbite of Imoru Sanda interview with Fifi Kuti. And now maybe sir, JDM, almost friend, presumptive leader. Son of my friend, that's the word they describe him now. He's a presumptive leader. A major decision like this to change your minority leadership. Did you consult him? I said, did I consult him?
No, but you cannot do without consulting John Dramana.
So
you cannot do.
So
it's not possible.
So it means that John also endorsed us for this thing to be done. Hey, it was some more. And when you know a buboba, but at the end of the day, I said, can say they need to satisfy Central Region and internet yedi Atu Fonsi Ediaba. But when you look at Atu as the spokesperson or their ranking for finance and economy, his delivery, his composure, and some on from as a ranking, some no fantastic. So necessarily you don't need to bring it because he's an economist. Say because you want to change your place, I have no problem. But reasons Odibano. And also, okay. So now in the whole leadership of a front bench, there's nothing there. If you want to do tribal, you want to certify tribal, but NDC Fantis have played fantastic role from Professor Mills to Emisa Atta, including Nana Opokwachima. So for me, minimum way. You say, Yabasham na mwakomunim. But me banami tikanum. Tamale South. I don't know Chama. Nakuma was so in some can edu. Now they are calling for so see why a consultation. Why are they summoning National Executive Committee? They are meeting this morning for the decision who to wase and you communicated well. Let other people come in, make their input. The entire person who is on we hear this and cannot pay move for emergency National Executive Committee. Ama next members in the world not do. Or can also no money play fair and no the actual play or the doing grand and pay. We are going to look at this matter. If you have taken your time, but you have a saying get here and 50 equity. Yeah, no.
What's your problem? Some party,
we need them in opposition to do their work as opposition. We need them there.
I didn't know.
You want them to scatter?
Okay, for the NDC in opposition.
I should be concerned. NDC said,
but if you have not gone through all this process, it's a big shame.
Oh, no, okay. Now just over cast a papa fail.
No, we are.
Oh, no, okay.
Oh, no, okay. Maybe my catcher say, we have leaders. Sometimes you will know how to know.
I admit to say, you see, that's the problem we all have, which we need to improve. Admit to say, said, Papa, or your analysis is beyond say. Papa say, you almost with three. And the best move.
Yeah, if I'm comfortable. Yeah,
I saw who's a way uncle.
And I don't know what was white. Yeah, you there. Who are now who can say, what was white? Oh, would the what's your white? Because you won't and you are happy.
Oh, me tire. Yes, so we say,
what was white? Yes,
yes, we are all sad about only a bit. For some time,
a part of the system.
Parliament or say even on when even obi ye to abe na opposition olusia we feel it.
Yeah, you feel it.
Just because or no you feel it.
Yeah, only
because Parliament when you say we share we are when enya dia obi di hu de kra. Yes.
Okay, so
but young shade ebesi.
Yeah.
And I'm saying me to me nanka say you good and I say bad.
Say I don't know what kind of.
Yes.
What see we be a test for them to see
whether it's a good decision or not. In me to me and condemn and answer affirm.
And then we national executive committee would take a decision.
Well, I don't know. When only me near me I don't know. Young National Cathedral. I don't have bomb mine.
Yeah. Debbie, yeah, also don't conclude say I don't have bomb mine. Debbie.
Ukasa binye.
Debbie.
Ukasa binye.
Ukasa no na ebo.
We
Wadara manen kasa.
Wo be ne wa hwia wo
Wadara manen kasa.
Oh ye gbe ye.
Wadara manen kasa.
Metia no ye ene ye my mistake. Admit. White na be share no. My mistake is here papa.
Ade.
Mun fan cheme. I'm a central for.
Ade.
Get there let me share black. Because in crop for me no be wo ayi ho. I don't know why. It when mun nyina ya akọ. Eye achichire.
Oh, your constituency.
A constituency.
Oh.
Bema ba akọ friend Boja.
Acknowledge.
Very good person. We ask no we a good baby we ntem.
Sa no mo keka ba
I say we are seeing spiritual. Say nyame no pese bia why yi no on pese obey body. No atwe ko. This guy Boja wu achire. Enura me executive say ko ho ekochi abusuafo. Me mo nyina ya akọ me so nyame ya dom na se me yakwan a me ba na ma be chia mo. Na ehihye obi a na nyina ya bom na ya ye. Me wo states na me chairman friend me say your member yare. Now they needed 30,000. That was Saturday na me eba. For some operation they had to. I'm say okay. Me ba you be fa 30,000 mu yeso de na so. The man is such a good person. That was Sunday na bedru ya airport no frame say asema sabe say di asem na dey tabia ofra 30,000 no me nya ndufie am hwe na dey o say gentleman that was Saturday and Sunday na yatima e blow papa na another one man so benfi also mini papa ako also your friend kakra also me one your friend say kakra e dina ko hospital e dina ko clinic also so 2-3 days no also they are all young people very young.
And that is one thing you don't like saying
I don't like saying because no, there is something wrong. Me share me crew for yes, yeah, Jose. It's a district capital. There's no hospital. There's no hospital. Yes. And the hospital baho. I must say, obi yari okoha. There will be a doctor. No one in term. You better test me. I didn't. So we call a Cassian Rocco. There is nothing like that. Into what you are better do na share clinic wa. This has been happening. Do you know that recently we supply hospital equipment to all my 32, I think 23 or 28 clinics are in the chief compound, a Wabi constituency.
Wow.
Nyon kontra ka say hospital equipment na hu hia. Gawen fan to shinro look at this. They're ignorant. Nipa ponding.
Very key. And that key has always been something that you fight for.
This is the second time I must supply these items. One was 100 wide. Into 23 health centers, clinics are all supply. Into Utom Pass, 20 crabos or child. 111. And just a ha. Also, who call Raja Baku. Bam. We are MPO, where you are
23 health centers.
Yes, health centers. Chief company, I buy power. And you say, Yajuma.
23?
Yes, yeah, doctor. It's, you know, people should understand. Oh, and yeah, it's yeah, but my dream has had debts near the I call Obisen Kefan to Shimura. Naminian, while I wait, and our cousin, you don't know what they are doing. Oh, no, said the Okan, Yamu Mobo. Eti, Mamuna Yako. Oh, where do you support me? My sir, no, wash a black.
So there's this suggestion.
Oh, dear Boba. Now, I saw for say better late than never. Some Fedi and me come. Mamu who say Ghana for a break. I'm so happy because Kadia na emani ya atitia pansam na amanfo ebre pensioners omusike dia to bank na adune kenoforiata omase man abobosia no no obobosia just because onya ne percentage one year say about 159 million Ghana cedis bond a ogino ehusika wanya. He is not bringing that money back home. In Kaya also, you know, bond here, I may atofemi, and no, be dinya as SK. He said, I may return, now they are solving your problems. And your crowd in the ending, pension and Sika be a base 10,000 now, a good bank, on the federal audience about two. And so for a moose or Macassa. Not being sorry, a cathedral, the Moya cry, naysayers, Moya cry, BC. Hey! With impunity, because a culture of impunity now, after minor was me boy. Now, that is the time you can't answer me. Fesikai, dear Gusa, even only the
foundation,
the plan alone. I heard they paid $24 million for the plan. What is that? Are we normal? Foundation is also for ya, say $30 million near the goof. Now, economy, wrong, I say Ukraine, Russia. If you spend your money like this, what is coming out of it? Okoji loan. Now they are going to firm $30 million without putting into a venture. Is this not what we are going to see? And say, you know, as of Jamia Kamakuma, Pana Omoba out. This is what we expect from them. Yay, and this yaba power near your bonnet said you're not Omokana. And thereby my silent no monka na young politicians yanda hoso what the my say muti ho boy ba oye boni amaka oye papa maka another party ba oye boni amaka So we see you as people are more pay or money ye. And this way you mo kai nyina bi say den na ye bompire emfa kwam. Because now say ye bompire ma binum nko na binum mra. And next way what is happening? You all kept quiet. But now I think say God has touched their hearts about fair dark years on starting our revolution. About our there is that is what a man of God should do. Yes, for yes, yes, only no. It's more ya may say, men of God, men of God. Come was as a cathedral. You make us all your antichrist. Ade. Yamian can say, Mren Baba, baby, I best summon a win. Hey. Oh yes, baby, a best a dining at the end of us.
It's very good for the reinforcement of our Christian life.
We should not.
It's important.
Meeting, but I also say where we will meet. No, it doesn't matter. But how? How we worship God.
The Bible is not emphatic on where we will meet.
I say how? How we worship is most important.
Wadaroma mesrew ebiri mesrew de mane ye hummo kora se na di ho a enna ne ko na wi yesi no bebere do ana ojo enti ye hu nhyiamu de if your description for nhyiamu no eye obi hall obi say are different because
we should not forget our Christian meetings.
Yeah,
the Bible says
it's very important. Matthew 24:10-12 e kasa no ma wi na enna ne ko na wi ye
that's what me wi e wo ma me nkasa mi. We should not forget our gatherings. Yes,
very important.
Forget it. Name where we meet, no, or patches not in Jerusalem. And I say, the Bible says that. Into patches be a
so cathedral
that is the reference I may say. It is not where we meet, but how we worship. The Bible says, "Oh, time my brother, me try and carry because I know the Bible very well." And they mean come to me. Yes, we should not neglect our church activity. I say our meeting activities, no worship, no. We should not forget it. But where we meet, whether in Jerusalem or in
even here, Korano.
Here, no. I say where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name.
There be a benu and a bass. I will know a demon.
And I'm a war. I don't know. I say, as many as believed in him, God gave him the power to become the sons of God. Even to them that believe on his
Reverend Peter Kwacheka.
Yes, into cathedral don't be room now. Who can walk cathedral?
Well, my titles. Then you will see. I am the
yes. Who walk cathedral? That is all. Antichrist. And you know, I would West Ghana. Well, West Ghana
all the time in the Latin.
No, but
time.
this is interest because you say,
we are working with time on this show.
And
you were the kind of constituency. No, please.
He's a government in waiting.
Behave.
He's a government in waiting.
Don't be partial here.
No, he's a government in waiting.
I don't care. Who buying power? Why, your mama?
Now wait. Wait.
What Mammy Brem?
Please. No, but why do you say that?
Please,
they are potential government in waiting.
Can I flow too?
Yeah, some of you have to say move
white.
No,
and then you are
white. Please, Supreme Court now can so be we into you free.
Sir, who court who didn't so is it get your answer? On him say, Onin so, but party Fonti, young Bibine, we say, you so. I've walked Juna de Camney Bisa was a young calculator. Now would you put one out way? Please, when you're talking, I'm quiet. Please, I don't like that.
Why say, oh, no, because
I don't know. In fact, I had a teacher mate that would talk together. Of remansi, even the teacher Bedu. Or can Chinego. Now me chair idea 6 form national service 89. And between Takwa all the way through Bogoso to Bodier to Manso, to Sankurugwa, Surupine, San Maboy, Wasadunkwa, Enchi, Tacholete, Kremokrum, Quanta, Ammonier, Siwum to Cote d'Ivoire, Minimonina. Na nano na me share social media again. And I had done for any colleague set, Kwame.
Yeah,
Boating. Or yesterday be about mercury usage in the mining of Galamsey areas now and one the constituency. He did one in Bodier and the year so a war. Touch on it. I'm in the east or concluding so. Now, or one on Boba. What does it? As I'm making, who said, Kwame Boating and Misa? I mean, the cough and said, the actually say, the mercury normally at Galamsey now, they are it's having some effect on them. I are the about Central Region Teaching Hospital near the Regina. I'm me, Kase Enuna Sebi. I'm a so I'm really concerned about the health status of them because Oko is a purely Galamsey area. That is a major activity that they do. That was and the Unipana Wakan Memaoyako and Nebusa Fonina. So coming back to the Galamsey issue, cathedral matter. And then Yanjin pensioner be a second feeling. So that spinning of that propaganda now in this one year. Yanjin pensioner be a bond second feeling. There's negotiations, discussion, and Kwanzaa Yeko. Finance Ministry can say because of the challenge now by a so they want to look at what we could do to salvage this economy. Omusha says that in 2023, Omunya Yanga is 0%. Negotiation economy there be and about 2%. And then any muka say last week yet say Bankers Association any finance minister no adjust to say 5% no and we better than ebeboa. And that is the way to go. Now say what ha now we can say a G pension for sika. One sika na ye finism. Ye be sika finism. And the wo sika e dahwa misrew wo sika no 2023 wunya interest of 5% that we can go. It is only the international bonds no now are buying abomodi as a whole because people buy bonds for 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. JP Morgan no. These are people who have invested for long term. But internally, so at least a buy space so that I can't down and yakufa bank one that track out. From Mills to Jomama to Rawlings to Kufo, a keke dahoning in the Jawa. So we have to make sure you bet this cano near Kutiaka. National Cathedral. Who can story now with your Mayano? Na topic they say on my engaged Deloitte and Touch. External auditors are on my auditing firm. Because I register in Register General. Who register a company and not enterprise. You need to have an auditor at the end of the year. No, Obesha Sikasimu now or the audit more. Now you can't say you know. And National Cathedral for Akase, they are open to Parliament. So Parliament may commission any auditing, whatever. They are ready. That will be a measure. The Omudis cannot then. Ediayo. Okuja so Ediomu Ako Shraj. They are ready anytime Shraj may invite you. Say Omubrano Yamno. They are ready to comply. You may do manu Ediakoso. And let us be very careful the way we attack people. In some way, but because. Also for kusipating ye treno say National Cathedral for no se ke bia museum no more expected from accountant no na delay ejuma ya ye were formed by the contractor no we see trianka and as can atwintwen enti omo treno ye treno wie no na obomodi no wo musika ye tua contractor then when the accountant general sika no buy no then they give you the money and the settles where akoye discussion echoes all over for some time now. And the mean traha and pontificate in country is obi disca and obi also defending. And the he has liberty to share his opinion. And the Omam Quine, I mean, and Mr. Kwachaka. And this year, dear, by the common I see this. Where did you can't say of Fiona? Cosway. And the for now, mean to me, and can say we discuss our National Cathedral until the final auditing is done. Okay. And in auditing, I'm a trained event. Me started audit kakra from Haliworks when I started my productive working life.
A report.
Before auditing start, there what we call the pre-audit meeting, where the scope and the methodology of audit started. You're discussing with the management. We are in the course of auditing. Your queries never now what the release will be documentation. Where we query we respond the bar. Then when you finish, we have what we call the exit meeting. Would be auditing baby now? They don't even do some of these things, and it's a concern in terms of governance level. We hear auditor. It's important. Say the between you. The fact that we ordinary say you understand? So clearly, for me, I want the auditing to be done. I support it. Now, Auditor General report. Obia would this be an fake. Obia would dia basic biano. Also fake.
Okay, Kwachima no ase. Na mensa ma yako for your constituency issue, you know. Okay. Now mentia Charity Catering Services Kumasi. Mr. Charity, good morning. So Bribiaoji now she anafi nana ya amono jemfu a also patasi. We the man hende kwabna sante onyame adoma echina we are meeting. Thank you so much.
Police ni asem no